My lord, item number 16.
Yes.
The government is yet to file their affidavit. I mean, it's been almost 3 months now. It's a transfer matter. So, my lord, by calling the records of the case, can it be listed on the first week of February? Any date? 5, 6, 4, 5, 6.
First week of February, my lord.
On 5th?
So, okay.
6th, my lord. Yes, my lord. No objection, but we are yet to receive any paragraphs from the transferring order. That is the, my lord, Commissioner PHE. Last time, my lord, your lordship had directed us to take the instruction from the superintendent engineer. Then we have
Superintendent engineer probably has directed to take charge.
take charge, correct, my lord. Then the latest status we have already submitted. Now, my lord, so far, my lord, transferring authority concerned, my lord. So we have
Okay.
sought instruction from the Commissioner PHE, my lord.
So when do we?
That will take some more time, my lord. At least we need another 3 weeks, my lord.
Okay.
No, my lord, that is too much. Let us see here the case for the, at least let us see in the first week. If necessary, we will.
My lord, yes, we can do that, my lord.
Okay.
6th,
On the-
But then records may be called for, my lord.
records, my that is the record which annexed by my elder brother, my that is the record.
The file noting and all.
Okay.
No.
There is a,
The counsel for the petitioner, Mr. E. Partin and Mr. Aruch Nabam, learned additional AG for the state respondent are present. On the request that was the learned counsel for the parties, the matter may be listed on 6th.
on 5th, my lord,
Okay, 5th, 5th February.
February.
Okay. So
Records may be, at least that order may be possible, even if they don't produce.
records need to
My
be,
lord, we will try to file the affidavit. If your lordship not satisfied of affidavit, then records may be called for after that. My lord.
okay, in the meantime,
Yeah.
the
My lord, allow us to file the affidavit, my lord.
Okay, in the
Then
meantime,
if need be, my lord, record may be called
the-
that one.
learned additional AG is allowed to file affidavit in opposition. Okay.
My lord, obliged.
But please, Lordship, I beg to mention item 27. Here, Lordship, I am for the respondent number 17 to 27. We have recently filed our wakalat number, so Lordship, we need 3 weeks time to file our affidavit.
Okay.
My lord, I'm appearing for respond number 7 to 11.
Hmm.
But we have filed our affidavit, we have raised the question of maintainability also, only on the locus.
Okay.
But if also that could be taken up in the next date.
Okay, who is for the petitioner? Have you informed?
Petitioner, Lordship, yes, out.
Mr. Tapak, he was here.
Petitioner was supposed to come through BC, but he have not attended.
So, petitioner was supposed to appear by VC, pro VC. So what do we do? He is not present. We'll allow you, but then let him present when the matter called for. You're seeking.
Here.
Oh, he's there. Oh,
27.
From Delhi by this BC video conference.
but
He will be
they
appearing.
are seeking adjournment some
Because
time
the
to file.
matter, as per the last order,
Hmm.
the maintainability argument about the maintainability.
So that is why.
And that is one of the
Hmm.
ground. And another is do they this interim order, matter fixed for interim order.
What interim order can be passed?
Because party has already engaged the advocate
Mhm.
and that let the matter become, he will appear.
But
Okay,
he's
so
appearing for the
Yes,
first
yes.
time today.
First time. And
they are appearing for the first time.
respondent
That
From
is
17
why.
to
Let the
27.
let the party be appear because he is the petitioner. And the matter is on maintainability also. Let the matter become then what?
No, my lord,
what
at
the
least,
advocate is submitting.
at least at this stage,
So
maintainability.
the next
we
year we
raised.
can have
Yes.
hearing on the maintainability of
Yes.
the petition.
Not required.
Now, since they are appearing for the first time, they say that they need some time to go through. They have just been engaged.
Because interim order is also pending. That is why. On the next date, what to do? That will be.
Interim order, what interim order can be passed? What I'm asking you. In such cases, already issued.
That is why I am not appearing in the case,
Okay.
although I have filed the case. Appearing from Mohammed Parsha from Delhi.
Lucifer, from that council, we have taken consent for tomorrow.
Lordship, may I submit?
Tomorrow.
Submit.
Tomorrow.
But they are appearing
Tomorrow
for
on the
first time.
maintainability,
Tomorrow,
because maintainability is on the locus only.
Yes, my lord.
Because issue is from the west coming, and this petitioner are from the Papumbare,
Hmm.
Tawang.
Okay, not,
They have nothing to do with the,
not being affected.
no,
Yes.
Hmm.
Not
on that issue only, the maintainability was raised last time. So it may be taken up tomorrow on maintainability, Lordship.
Tomorrow.
And so far interim is concerned, they are asking for considerations of reprints only. That's not that important, Lordship.
So,
matter will be fixed for tomorrow as per I have been informed. by-
tomorrow,
Tomorrow. Will, on maintainability, it can be taken up tomorrow.
Respondent P जैसे कि सब नहीं हो.
Sir.
Respondent Lordship from 17 to 27. Target senior counsel P Saithya will represent.
Okay.
So he is not. Available.
next Monday then.
Yes.
He have.
Okay. Mr. Titapa, Planning Council for the petition is present.
be on 4th.
Mr. Lolin, Planning Council, Mr. Tapin, Planning, Senior Government Advocate is also present on behalf of the state respondent. Mr. K. Lolin, Planning Council put appears on behalf of the private respondent number 17 to 27. And then Mr. T. Partin first, T. Partin for the respondent number 7 to 11 is also present and filed. You have already filed affidavit and submitted. He has already filed affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 7 to 11. Mr. K. Lolin put appear on behalf of the private respondent number 17 to 27 and prays for some time to go through and to argue the matter on maintainability. So as requested by the parties, let this matter be listed on Monday, next Monday, huh?
Second.
On second. Okay.
Oh, all right.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes,
Item number 28, with consent of the other side.
28.
Yes. I'm on behalf of SPP
You are for
APRB.
petitioner,
For respondent,
respondent number?
yes. APRB, that's for respondent is there.
Okay.
28,
Mr.
B Taba, on behalf of T Taba.
Tava,
My lord, in this case, I am appearing for the petitioner only.
Okay.
My lord, on the last occasion, they have prayed for some time to file their affidavit,
Hmm.
and this honorable court has granted 2 weeks' time, my lord, because the matter pertains to, my lord, dismissal from service. May I pray that the matter may be taken up on 12th or 13th of February, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Pankaj Bora,
Yes, ma'am.
counsel for the petitioner. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Is present. Mr.
B Taba,
B.
B Taba.
Tava, Land Council appear on behalf of Mr. T. Tava, Land Council for the respondent, sole respondent. On request made by both the Land Council for the party, let this matter be listed on
12th of February,
12 February. Okay.
Much obliged.
deeply obliged.
May I, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29, Your Lordship. I've informed the other side, Your Lordship. Here we need to file our counter affidavit. At least 3 weeks' time may be needed, Your Lordship. 29, Your Lordship.
So who's for the petitioner is
Your
present?
Lordship, yes, he's present, Your Lordship. Yes, sir.
Mentioning item 29, seeking some more time, 3 weeks time, for 3 weeks time. Okay,
There is interim that may be continued.
okay. Ms. Pango, Land Government Advocate. Prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Mr. K. Tamaran, Council for the petition is also present. Staff, page prayed for, list this matter after 3 weeks. Staff, para. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Hello.
Bless, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 10, Lordship. I have shown the office record. Already I have filed the affidavit in reply respondent number 3, but same has not been recorded in office, Lordship file.
Okay, so it's ready
So
for
I
hearing.
have to file again, Lordship, affidavit in reply respondent number 3, Lordship.
Affidavit, huh?
Respondent number 3, Lordship.
Okay. Who is, respondent is only government, no
Yes,
private respondent.
yes.
Mr. A. Borua,
And I am PK Google, Lordship.
PK Gogoi, Lana Council, appearing on behalf of Mr. Your name is also there, it's not?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, Lana Council for the petitioner. Prays for and is granted. How much time you said?
Lordship, matter may be fixed, Lordship, 19 February, Lordship.
Okay.
before I
Praise for
file
this.
the.
Okay, praise
FDP
for,
reply.
some, praise for. How much, okay. Submits that he need to file affidavit in reply
Yes,
to the
Lordship.
affidavit
Respondent
so
number three,
filed by the respondent number
Three, Lordship.
3. Okay. And therefore pray for some time, huh? Prayer allowed. Stop. Age requested, comma, let this matter be listed on
19 February, Lordship.
19 February. Okay,
My name is Lordship, although Sonda College, Lordship.
okay. Mr.
PK Gogol. Lordship.
P.K. Gogoi, name may be reflected in the cause list as counsel for the petitioner. Okay, registry cell, huh?
Highly blessed.
Reflect the name of Mr. P.K. Gogoi as the counsel for the petitioner. Okay. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Mm.
I beg to mention item 7. Lordship, affidavit in reply needs to be filed, but I'm unable to contact my client.
Item 7.
Yes. So I may be granted some more time, Lordship, 2 weeks.
For filing affidavit.
In reply.
Affidavit in reply. Okay. Miss Ndangen. This is regarding market.
Yes, Lordship. Government has already, Lordship, regarding all the markets, they have reopened.
Reopen.
Yes.
But then there was some condition in this case.
Yes, Lordship, that is being
Condition
followed.
probably has not been maintained, not been followed or complied with.
No, Lordship.
You want to file reply,
Yes, Lordship.
Ms. Ndangen, counsel for the petitioner. Reply to government's affidavit.
Affidavit, Lordship.
Okay.
Otherwise, Lordship, with regarding to all the other markets, they have closed and then they have reopened. All, excluding this,
But
Lordship.
in this case, there was some condition.
Yes, Lordship, that is being fulfilled, Lordship.
Fulfilled.
Yes, that is what
No.
my instructions are, Lordship.
Okay. Praise for. How much time you are praying?
2 weeks, Lordship.
Father, 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit so filed by the state respondent. The prayer is being not prayer not being objected to is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship, interim order may be continued.
The interim order passed earlier will continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Oblige.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Here in this case, Your Lordship, I was supposed to file counter affidavit, Your Lordship.
Yes, not yet filed.
Yes, Your Lordship. Some more time.
Whether the petitioner is present?
I have taken consent from petitioner counsel.
Okay,
Your
you are Mr.
E. Menjo, Your Lordship.
Lion Counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent number
2 and 3, Your Lordship.
2 and 3. Pray for. And is granted. How much time is
4 weeks, Your Lordship.
4 weeks?
It's a department matter, Your Lordship.
Okay, Father, 4 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. He has also obtained consent from the Land Council of the petitioner. Of India. Of the above, the respondent is granted further 4 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Stop. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Highly obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19.
item 19.
I'm appearing on behalf of J. Singh, counsel for the petitioner.
Why, what for it has been listed?
Lordship, we have been instructed by the petitioner to withdraw the matter, Lordship.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Yes.
No objection.
No objection.
Okay, Mr.
D. Thali.
Land Council for the petitioner. Some Mr. He has an instruction to withdraw this writ petition. To which Mr. Gimitara, Land Council for the respondent, appearing for the respondent, has no objection. Prayer allowed. This writ petition stands dismissed as withdrawn. Okay.
Obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 1. Wait, please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm challenging the impugn order whereby my registration certificate was cancelled. Majorly on two grounds,
Yeah,
amongst
what
others.
has been cancelled?
My registration certificate
Okay, register.
of my association. Lordship, I could see there is a caveat. There is a caveat, I believe. I don't understand why it is filed.
How you are affected?
Yes.
Lordship, kindly see, my caveat petition, Lordship. I'm the complainant, Lordship.
Okay.
Complainant on the basis of his registration has been cancelled. Because his registration has been cancelled because that registration has been obtained on fraud. That is the case. That is why I have not been implicated in the case.
Not
I may be implicated in the case. Because I am the complainant in the case, on the basis of which his society registration certificate has been cancelled.
Lordship,
how you are affected?
That is why.
Otherwise, Lordship, cancellation order, if Lordship goes through, it is very clear, there is nothing, Lordship. We
Okay.
have not cancelled because someone has come.
Yes.
That is fine. That is fine. But then caveat.
Yes, of course.
Kindly see, Lordship. My application is, I am Lordship General Secretary, All Arunachal Pradesh Public Bus Welfare Association, operating in the capital complex. And what is his this registration certificate? Kindly see. All Capital Complex Public Welfare Association. And we're operating in the same field. Welfare Association, Bus Welfare Association. We're bus owners. That is why. And his organization has been registered on the basis of fraudulent documents.
That is why probably the government has.
That is why. On
Cancelled.
the government has not cancelled sumoto. Government has cancelled the certificate on the basis of my complaint.
Okay.
That is the issue here. So why I should not be heard? Because I am interested in this operation of this public motor, this welfare association activities. One more, this apart from that, one more association is there. One is this, as per his all capital, this his written that his association is affiliated to one association called, what is it called?
Okay, before cancellation, so-called notice was issued.
Yes, issued but never delivered to any member of the association. There is a representative from us also of this very month. It is specifically written that no so-cause was ever issued to us. And after that also, Lordship, let me present my case. Lordship, kindly come to page number 13.
Yes.
This is the registration certificate issued in the year 2025 in the month of February. This is the registration certificate. After that, page number 14, a so-cause was issued, whereby there is no whisper of any kind of complaint. It is only stated that one of the members.
President has.
Yes, one of the member.
Okay.
Okay, he has no police clearance certificate. But although, Lordship, the police clearance certificate was issued by the Kurunkume district and simultaneously from Naharlagan. So later on, it was found that there is a case pending against the president, the member. So in that police case, he was never summoned. He has no idea of this case. After this so-cause notice, when we were not served, we were directly served the order, cancellation order, the impugn order of page number 15, that is 14 November 2025, whereby it is clearly written that we have not replied to the so-cause notice. After this, Lordship, what happened after this, after cancellation? Page number 17. Page number 17. This is the resolution passed by the association. Page number 17. In point number 1, resolution. Resignation of the president. The members acknowledge and accept the resignation tendered by such and such from the post of president with immediate effect. And he is no longer a member also. After this resolution, page number 18. This is the tendering of resignation by a member against whom police case is pending. Then this was presented by the association to the registrar of societies. This is respondent number 2, page number 20.
Page 20.
Yes, may I read? Request for recall of cancellation and revival of registration of the association. Respected sir, I, Sri such and such, General Secretary of such and such, hereby submit that Sri such and such has tendered his resignation from the post of president of the association with immediate effect. Your authority had earlier cancelled the registration of our association on the grounds that the police clearance certificate issued in favor of the office bearer, Sri such and such, by number such and such, was cancelled by the police authority. However, neither the undersigned nor any office bearer of the association ever received any so cause notice or a copy of the cancellation order. Be it as it may, Sri such and such has already resigned from the post of president and he is no longer a member of the association. Next page. In view of this development, I humbly request your good office to kindly recall the cancellation order by number such and such and allow the revival of the registration of the association so that the association may continue its functioning smoothly in larger interest of its members and the public. So after this, we waited for almost.
So the person, president,
Yes,
against whom there is a case.
Yes.
There was a case, and due to who,
because of that,
because of whom the registration was cancelled.
Yes.
Is no longer in the association.
yes. So why the association
But
should suffer?
this is letter dated
7 January.
1.
Yes, 7 January.
So he resigned on
December itself, Your Lordship.
29 December,
Yes, December itself.
and his resignation was accepted on 29
Yes,
December.
yes. By resolution of 29 December.
Resolution also taken on on the same day, everything.
Yes,
Okay, but then thereafter also he survives. See
Yes.
page 20. President Pipas Akhtar. He is still there.
no, not that. Only
there.
the pad.
See pad.
Yes, pad. That was I
He is
I
president.
told them, no, not at all.
Then how do we erase it?
That is why, Lordship, that is why I have instructed them to change the pad now.
But
already
he is still
started.
president here.
No, not at all, Lordship. This
How
was
do
a-
we say?
this is an error overlooked. But resignation is there and the representation is there. If need be, I will place another representation.
So will issue notice or what?
Lordship, only notice may be issued. Otherwise, Lordship, in the order itself is very clear that Lordship here, they have said the character and entities.
Already cancelled, cannot stay.
Lordship,
You have interim prayer.
Yes,
Lordship, that cannot
but
be.
that
That
can
be,
open
Because
on the next date of
so
hearing.
this was also given and Lordship,
Yes,
in the cancellation order, Lordship,
Hmm.
if may kindly be seen, Lordship,
Hmm.
they could have replied a so-called notice.
That is our
So,
case, Lordship.
How, Lordship, this court can take that they haven't received this so-called notice?
Not possible.
Especially
There
the
subsequently he resigned.
President, Lordship, yes, Lordship. Here, Lordship, we have clearly said that, Lordship, this has been cancelled in the, Lordship, second last para, Lordship.
Hmm.
Now, therefore, in the light of the above full bench judgment, this in reference to Guwahati High Court in Atawar Rahman and State of Assam versus, this is also the same case, Lordship, where cancellation was, Lordship,
Okay.
challenged.
No, Lordship. This is regarding the power of the registrar to whether he can cancel registration or not. In this case, it was decided that bringing in the General Clauses Act, a registrar can cancel the.
Yes, yes.
That is only of the judgment,
It's there,
not on
Lordship.
merit.
And then, Lordship, here, the president's character itself is, Lordship, under challenge, Lordship.
Erstwhile president.
Here.
Now he is no longer a
Still
member.
there, Lordship, the.
So why
Lordship
the
has
entire
pointed out, Lordship,
association
no,
should suffer for a
representatives
single individual?
that the president's, this one only, Lordship, paid only.
My only contention, Lordship, why the entire association should suffer for the conduct of an individual?
He is still the philosopher guide. Hmm.
Lordship, in the third para, in the cancellation order, Lordship, may kindly say, third para.
That is there. Yes, it is very correct. I accept. Antecedents should be very clear.
Hmm.
And so far as the caveat is concerned,
And
Lordship,
this
in a
civil
district, there may be
application of the
many associations.
Lordship, office bearer is the foundation requirement for registration, Lordship,
Hmm.
and for continuation, Lordship.
Okay, heard, Mr. K. Saxena, land counsel for the petitioner.
At the most, only notice maybe, Lordship.
I will not press today, but that will be kept open on the next date.
No, Lordship, that may not be.
Our state is there affected, I don't
After
understand.
our instruction
Also heard
only, Lordship.
Mr. Tapak, land counsel for the caveator. P. Tapak, land counsel for the caveator who has not been impleaded but filed caveat. And no, not been impleaded as a respondent.
Sorry to interrupt, Lordship,
Par-
but there
party
is
res-
no, sorry to
party
interrupt,
respondent.
there is no whisper on the, in the order or in the.
No, that is what I'm saying. But we have heard it. But we have not been impleaded as party respondent, but filed caveat praying for hearing the caveator before passing any interim order. Staff, huh? Also, Miss Reba, landed additional senior government advocate for the state respondent staff. The by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged the impugn order dated
14 November.
14/11/2025, by which the associating the registration certificate equal to all Capital Complex Public Bus Welfare Association has been cancelled. With immediate effect. Start on para. The case of the the case of the petitioner is that. Now we'll just issue notice, okay? Issue notice, huh? Returnable by 4 weeks. Start, huh? Since Miss Reba, landed petition senior government advocate has accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number,
Both.
the state respondent or state respondent 1 and 2, no formal notice need be issued. However, the petitioner shall furnish extra copy of the petition to the landed senior government advocate within 2 days from today. Stop, huh? So you have to establish what right you have.
Yes, may I not?
You have to file
Over this
application.
operation of this bus, one more case, connected case is also pending.
You file an application for implement.
Yes.
Lordship, my humble prayer that for interim prayer that will be kept open on the next date.
Okay. The interim prayer shall be considered on the next date.
I
Okay.
mean,
Hmm.
a lot of file
Hmm.
implement petition.
Okay, Mr. Tapar. Planet Council for the caveator, praise for allowing him to file IA for implement of the caveator in the present petition. Okay.
2 weeks.
Okay,
Lordship. 2 weeks.
the petitioner may file, the application is the appropriate application. For their improvement. Okay. List is matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay.
Oblong.
Give it.
It will remain like that only. A bit hard only.
Item number 2.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner before your Lordship is challenging the infant termination order. Lordship, the respondent authorities has terminated the petitioner from his service on the basis of a statement given by the police, SIC, Lordship. Lordship is aware of that APCS disco. May I directly take to the infant of the Lordship. Page 53, Lordship. Lordship, no departmental inquiry, no any proceeding has been initiated, but mechanically the petitioner has been terminated. And the language itself, it shows that it was informed by the SIC that the act and conduct of the petitioner was, as informed by the SIC, is found to be unbecoming of a government servant. Only on that basis, Lordship, he has been terminated. It is totally in violation of Article 311, Lordship, of the Constitution. Article 311 has provided the procedure and the manner how the civil servant has to be removed, dismissed from the job. But no procedure has been followed.
Lordship, notice may be issued at this stage.
Okay. Police notice.
Lordship.
Hired Mr. A. Lolin, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Also hired Mr. S. Tapping, and a senior government advocate for the state respondent.
Yes, good.
Number 1 to 3. Okay. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged, assailed the you're challenging the both. So-called notice was issued?
No notice, Lordship. The
Okay.
inferior order.
No notice.
Yes.
Okay.
They straightly issued the termination order.
Okay. The service of the petitioner. No, okay. First suspended,
Suspended.
then thereafter terminated.
Thereafter, immediately, Lordship.
Okay. Are you challenging the suspension order also?
No, Lordship.
Okay. By which order dated 6/1/2023, by which the service of the petitioner has been terminated. In pursuant to the terms and condition in clause 7 of a letter.
In my offer letter, Lordship, there was a clause number 7. which
Clause
provide-
7.
Yes, which provided my appointment will be purely on temporary basis.
On the ground that he has been found in he has been found in ground that he was arrested in connection certain with SICB PS case number 12/2022 under section 120B 406 409 420 IPC read with section 7 Block 8, 13, within bracket 2, PCX 1988.
Yes.
Staffer. Issue notice. Returnable by 4 weeks. Staff, since Mr. Estapin, Lions Union Government Advocate, has accepted notice on behalf of all the respondent number 1 to 3, no formal notice need be issued. However, the petitioner shall furnish requisite extra copy to the Atlantic Union Government Advocate for the respondent within 2 days from today. Staff. List this matter after
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Lordship, similar matter, Lordship. More than 15 matters are already pending before the
Okay.
court. And this matter may be take with listed with all
Okay.
those. I'm giving the number 182
Okay.
of 2020.
Is it up and submitted that similar letter, a similar matter is pending before this court? Being
The petition 182 of
is
2023
number 182,
of 2023
2023,
and 50 of 2023
and 50 of 2023.
and 47 of 2023.
50, 2023, 47 of 2023.
If these are mentioned, it's
Okay,
all are
and the same, this matter also may be tagged with those matters. Okay. List this matter after 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, or
4 weeks.
4 weeks, along with the above mentioned,
And allow us matter.
above mentioned and analogous writ petitions. Okay.
Problem.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 3.
Your Lordship, perusal of the case records, government had to file counter affidavit in respect of respondent number 1 and 4.
My lord, till now I could not receive the instruction from the department, my lord. My lord, I may be granted some more time, my lord.
For
Respondent number 7 and 8, my lord.
filing affidavit.
Yes, my lord. The instruction also I could not receive. I have not furnished, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Tagum, E. Tagum, Land Standing Council,
Health and Family Welfare.
Health and Family Welfare Department. Submits that he is yet to receive instruction for filing affidavit and prays for how much time is
My lord, 4 weeks time, my lord.
4 weeks time. To which Mr.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Titi Tara. Tawatukur. Petition.
Tawatukur, Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr. Titi Tara, Land Council for a petitioner has no objection. And what about the state has filed?
State has filed, respondent number 2 has filed.
Already filed. Okay, Mr. T. Estapin, Land Government. Is also present on behalf of the state respondent number 1, 2. And 1, 2, and 3.
Lordship, on record,
No,
respondent number 3, respondent number 1 and 4 has to file. They
1 and
come-
4 is to file.
Yes, Lordship, has to file. On behalf of respondent number 2, they has filed. They have
Two
filed.
they have filed.
Yes.
Okay, what about 3?
Lordship, 3 also filed.
3 also filed. 1 not yet filed. 1 need to, okay, 1 also. Is 1, 2, and 3 not the same? No.
So the affidavit filed by respondent number 3, it will cover
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Okay, Tagum is newly impleted.
Yes, my lord.
So, Mr. Tapi will represent for 1 to 4. Okay, but then affidavit file on behalf of respondent number 2, 3. So it will cover for respondent number 1 also,
1 to 4.
1 and 4.
1 to 4.
1 to 4, okay. Who submits that the respondent number 3 has filed affidavit in opposition, which will cover for the respondent number 1, 2, and 4 as well. Okay. In the view of the above, and as prayed for by the Lana Council appearing on behalf of the respondent number 6 and 7,
7 and 8, my
or
lord.
7 and 8. List this matter after 4 weeks. What about this 5 and 5,
Five
And
and
six?
six, sir.
is there any separate standing counsel for the?
Yes, madam. Listing permits.
Okay, leasing permit.
Help.
He appeared earlier.
Madam. Yes, not.
Okay,
Listing
okay,
permit.
after 4 weeks.
Madam. Right, simply apply.
Item number 4.
Right, Your Honor. Your Honor, I'm representing respondent number 4 to 17, Your Honor.
4 to 7.
7.
1 to 3 also,
Comment, Lordship.
1 to 3 also not yet filed.
No, Lordship, we
Oh.
have filed.
Hmm?
We have filed.
You have filed 1 to 3.
Yes, Lordship.
Your Honor, the petitioner counsel has asked me to take adjournment of this matter on his behalf, Your Honor. He is currently out of station.
You for respondent.
I'm for respondent, Your Honor.
Okay, who is for the petitioner?
B. Arun, sir. He's out of station, Your Honor, and
Out
he
of
has
station.
asked me to take adjournment of this matter
Okay.
on his behalf.
Pretty more petition for.
So far, pleadings completed, Lordship.
Hmm?
Pleadings completed.
Pleadings come. Then,
We have filed, they have filed, Lordship, reply.
okay. None appears on behalf of the petitioner on call staff. However, you have already filed.
I've already filed, Your Honor.
Okay,
Your Honor,
however, the land
petitioner-
counsel for
Petitioner counsel has informed me to take adjournment on his behalf, Your Honor.
petitioner.
Yeah, petitioner counsel.
Okay, counsel for petitioner has, okay. Okay, Mr.
H. Tai.
H. Tai, just H. Tai, land counsel for you are for respondent number
I'm for the respondent number 4 to 17.
4 to 17.
Yes, ma'am.
Submits that Mr. N. Rama,
Yes, Your Honor.
N. Rama, land counsel for the petitioner, who is out of the station, has requested him to take an adjournment of the matter for how much?
3 weeks.
Matter for
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah,
Hmm,
but 3 weeks.
okay. 3 weeks, huh? The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Applies.
Item number 5.
My lord, in this case, my lord, I received the affidavit of respondent number 1, 2, 7, and 8, my lord. I may be granted some more time to file the rejoinder to this affidavit, my lord. Affidavit filed by the respondent number 1, 2, 7, and 8, my lord.
Okay.
3 weeks time.
You are for 1, 2, 7, and 8.
Yes, Lord. 1 and 2 and 7
Okay, whether the state respondent has filed.
Yes, they have filed.
Yes,
my lord.
Lordship, we have filed.
Okay. Mr. T. Tagum, learned counsel for the petitioner, prays for and is granted 3 weeks' time to file rejoinder, affidavit in reply to the
Affidavit of opposition filed by
affidavit in opposition filed by the
respondent
respondent
number
number
1,
1, 2, 7, and 8.
Yes.
The prayer is allowed. List this matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Stop, Mr.
K. Loyal.
K. Lawyer, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Respondent, Lord.
Oh, sorry, you are also, oh, sorry, respondent. Sorry,
1 and
learned counsel for respondent 1 and 2.
and 7 and 8.
7 and 8. And Ms. Pangu for the respondent number 3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5, and
3,
6.
4, 5, and 6 are also present. Okay.
Deeply honored.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 6.
Well, the case appointment of arbitrator, however, my lord, the parawise comment may not be required. However, my lord, as per the instruction of the department, my lord, we may be given an opportunity to file at least affidavit, even just to place the record.
Now, there is a arbitration clause.
Arbitration clause,
You have any objection?
my lord.
Do you have any objection? Any
Objection is, my lord, we may be given some opportunity to file affidavit, my lord.
Okay,
Parawise comment, everything is received, just only to file affidavit, my lord.
okay.
Just, my lord, end of justice. Otherwise, my lord, there is a clear-cut case for appointment of the arbitrators, my lord.
Yes.
Arbitration
That is
clause is
right.
very much exist.
Hmm.
However, my lord, As a, my lord,
You want to file, but then before that, you want to file affidavit?
yes, my lord.
Okay.
But in that case, madam, some short date may be given because otherwise, there's no issues involved as
Settle,
such. my lord.
How many days you are claiming?
My lord, once the arbitrators is appointed,
Uh.
the whatever the dues accrued to the petitioner.
The arbitration,
he will
before
definitely
appointment, probably we have to give.
get along with the interest, my lord.
No, I'm talking about the affidavit, my lord.
Affidavit,
on
affidavit.
behalf of the.
My lord,
The
Respond-
affidavit,
affidavit, my
How long?
lord. My lord, 3 weeks time may be given.
but affidavit required.
Affidavit.
If the party, if you are clear that if it, admittedly, if there is a clause, arbitration clause.
Yes.
My lord, I'm sorry to, my lord, make submission, my lord. There is a routine manner, my lord. The department has to file their.
Okay,
my lord.
okay.
There is a clear instruction, my lord.
Just to be in the safer side. Okay, Mr. M. Kato, Lana Council for Lanet DSGI,
For sole respondent, my lord.
for the sole appearing on behalf of the sole respondent. Praise for, how much time you said?
3 weeks time.
3 weeks. Submits that he has received instruction.
My lord, pair-wise comment, my lord.
Instruction and as well as the pairwise comment. And praise for 3 weeks time, to file affidavit. The prayer not being objected to by the land council
no,
petitioner, Mr. Dugeso.
I'm
is allowed.
objecting as such, my lord. Otherwise,
It's affidavit only. You are,
my lord. My lord may say, my lord, without fail, my lord.
okay.
Without fail.
Provided the respondent file affidavit within the given 3 weeks.
My
Okay. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Flip the bird.
Item number 9.
Who wants to file additional affidavit?
My lord. This is your, my lord. Even I filed my affidavit in reply, my lord. Today, my lord, this matter is fixed, my lord, an attempt has to be made, my lord, for disclosure also.
Having considered that the affidavit filed on behalf of state respondent appears to be not complete, particularly with respect to whether the petitioner had donated the land or not for establishment of CEO office at Taksim. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. Enable the state council to file additional affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
Have you filed?
No, Your Lordship.
No. Are you filing or not?
We are not going to file, Your Lordship.
Okay, not
because-
going to file. Okay.
In the last occasion, my lord, it had already been expressed, my lord.
Yes.
Okay.
So therefore, my lord, this matter has been fixed for the admission hearing, my lord.
Okay.
After the state respondent, my lord, they have declined to file this affidavit, my lord. So now, my lord, I propose disposal of this matter, my lord.
What is this matter about then?
This matter, my lord, in fact, my lord, there is a land, my lord, of the petitioner which he has inherited from his father, my lord. Whereupon the CO office was temporarily constructed on being permitted to construct, my lord.
How it was permitted?
My lord, it was permitted by the father of the petitioner, my lord.
By what manner?
My lord, there is no agreement as such, my lord. But only because they were looking for this construction of CO office. So therefore, even the petitioner, my lord, and his father, my lord, they wanted that the area should not deprive from, my lord, development. So therefore, they have allowed the administration to construct the CO building, my lord. Now, my lord, in the year 2001 only, my lord. After that, my lord, temporary building was constructed. Thereafter, my lord, in the year 2035, the administration, they wanted to construct permanent building by demolishing the 2025.
Okay.
By demolishing the old one, my lord, which has
constructed temporarily in the year 2001, my lord. So thereafter, my lord, when the administration wanted to construct permanent building upon the said area, my lord, I have lodged a complaint, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, there was series of meeting in between the public of the area and the administration, my lord. My lord, may I take you to, my lord, the minute of the meeting, my lord. That was held on 5/3/2025. My lord, mechanically come to page number 19, my lord. Annexure 2,
19,
page number 19.
19.
Yes, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
This is, my lord, can see the letter pad, my lord, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Officer of the Circle Officer, Administrative Circle Taxi. A coordination meeting white order number so and so dated 14th February 2025 on above mentioned subject was held under the chairmanship of Sri Taso Duri, Circle Officer at General Ground, Taxing on 28th February 2025. The PIR members, Gamburaj, senior citizens, intellectuals, and landowners of the taxing circle participated in the said meeting. List of the participants and agenda of the meeting is appended at Annexure 1 and Annexure 2 respectively. During the meeting, the participants were informed of the facts and significance of land demarcation cum land notification for various upcoming development activities at taxing headquarters, in particular by the chairman. Summary of the points discussed in the meeting. Previously, the process for land demarcation of taxing circle headquarters were exercised in twice occasion but failed. The demarcation process requires the need to identify actual landowners and advise them to take cognizance of their respective family members and seek consent for donation, my lord. Kindly note this word, my lord. For donation of land free of cost. However, the landowners wanted to be rewarded with significant compensation like allocation of share in profits against future development work in their land and job opportunity in Group D posts. It will be better if every landowner would donate their land for demarcation of the circle headquarters instead of one or two. It should be made clear which landowner will donate their land to which particular government agency department. Some of the landowners of other places of taxing circle were also interested in donating their land free of cost. So in case of no consensus between the landowners of present taxing headquarters, the developmental activities may have to be shifted to some other place within taxing circle where landowners are willing to donate their land by free of cost without any hindrance or objections, and which may be notified as the new headquarters. In this context, some places like Tungba, Malo, Onying, and Lingbing were suggested. Some participants state that the matter of land demarcation will be solved if the concerned political leader like MLA and ZPM of the region guide the entire process from top to bottom. There are also suggestions from the formation of circle level development committee to supervise the land demarcation process. Now next page, my lord, page number 20. There was also a concern raised by one of the participants regarding the plan for the stay of general public if all of their land would be donated to the department. Additionally, he also started that proper execution of land donation from gift deed should be done with wherein it should clearly indicate the land of which family is allocated to this department. Which department? Later, the meeting was concluded with vote of thanks. A speech from Takia Bai, PI and senior citizen of taxing circle. The undersigned, after thorough deliberation and discussion, observed that willingness of all the landowners and their family members is mandatory. Family-wise coordination meetings shall be undertaken amongst all landowners. The aforesaid action should be conducted and supervised under the banner of Now Welfare Society, and the formation of circle level development committee is not required now. The consent of the affected landowners who are interested to donate their land by will shall be obtained in writing and donation to be done free of cost through gift deed. Therefore, all the like-minded landowners, interested persons are cordially requested to submit their expression of interest or no objection certificate in writing with full details of the land in connection with land demarcation cum land acquisition for establishment of circle headquarters at Taxing Circle. Further, the EOI or the NOC, if any from the interested landowners, donors should reach to this office by 20 March 2025. Tasho Duri, my lord, APCS Circle Officer, Taxing, my lord. This is the my note of the meeting, my lord. Then, my lord, so from this document, my lord, it is clearly, my lord, it is clear that, my lord, the land wherein the present taxing headquarters is established, my lord, the land has not ever been acquired or donated by the landowners, my lord. Now, my lord, even, my lord, the Now Welfare Society, my lord, they have a, my lord, very huge area, my lord, within which is attached to the present taxing headquarters, my lord. They are giving the land free of cost to the administration, my lord, because this welfare society, my lord, they are very much interested in development of the area, my lord. They are for development people, my lord. Now, only the thing is that, my lord, the land where the present CO office is, my lord, proposed to be constructed, my lord. Permanent building is proposed to be constructed. It is the land of the petitioner, my lord. And, my lord, this is the government document, my lord, which says that, my lord, the land was never been acquired or donated, my lord. They are proposing for, my lord, donation of the land. That too willingly by the landowners, my lord. This is the, my lord, admission. Therefore, I don't, my lord, find any reason to prove anymore, my lord, that the land belongs to the people of the area, my lord. This particular land, my lord, I am seeking for this particular land, wherein the CO office is proposed to be constructed, my lord. That land belongs to me. Rest, my lord, there are some other lands, my lord, in the periphery. If they are able, they will come and knock this door, my lord. Only, my lord, concern of the petitioner is that the present, my lord, proposed CO office, it is going to be constructed in the land of the petitioner, my lord. And my lord has seen, my lord, this particular land, my lord, it was never acquired, my lord, nor it was donated, my lord. Therefore, until and unless, my lord, what law says, my lord, even, my lord, Arunachal Pradesh Land Settlement and Record Act 2000, my lord. My lord, may I take to, my lord, Section 2H, my lord.
Now, what happened thereafter?
Thereafter, my lord, although, my lord, while this writ petition was filed, my lord, there is no interim order. But, my lord, they have stopped, my lord, constructing the building, my lord.
No, it says that landowner willingness of the landowners and their family members is mandatory.
Nothing was obtained, my lord.
Hmm?
My lord, instead of, my lord, obtaining NOC and willingness from the respective landowner, my lord, what has happened, my lord? My lord, may come to page number 21, my lord. This impugn order was issued, my lord. That was on April 23, 2025, my lord. This order, my lord, the type copy is at page number 22, the next page, my lord. Whereas an application received by number so dated 16 April 2025 from the Executive Engineer PW Nacho Division regarding dismantling of all CO office in order to execute construction of new permanent CO office building at the taxing headquarters. And whereas on perusal of the board proceeding constituted by so that the 16 April 2025, it revealed that the said building is an all Indian log wooden type building aged about more than 20 years, and it is in threatening condition with many cracks on walls and is posing threats to the users and people, and there are seepage is despite repeated repairs and maintenance and unfit for further use, taking safety of users into consideration. Therefore, considering all the above facts and by virtue of power vested under section so and so, I do hereby order the Public Works Department, National Division, to demolish the above mentioned structure with immediate effect and submit an action taken refers to the undersigned. Given under my silence with Tashodari, my lord. This was issued, my lord. After that, my lord, I have lodged a complaint, my lord, before the circle officer. Page number 24, my lord.
So see the condition 4, the consent of donation to be done free of cost through gift deed. Okay, gift deed according to you was not executed.
Not executed, my lord. None of the, my lord, landowners has executed any gift deed, my lord. In fact, my lord, this process ought to have been, my lord, continued, my lord. But instead of complying this minor, my lord, they have stepped.
Whether the actual landowner was identified?
No, my lord.
It was to be identified. The willing persons also. And then if this land is not given freely, or then it may have to shift.
Yes, my lord.
According to this.
Yes, my lord.
But then since they are willing, it appears that it was decided to establish there only.
No, my lord. No, my lord. Therefore, my lord, the minute of meeting, as per the minute of the meeting, my lord, which I have read out, my lord, it doesn't say that, my lord, the land of these landowners, my lord, where the present headquarters is, my lord, established, all those land has to be taken, my lord. Only approach attempt has to be made as per this.
Only in case no consensus between the landowners.
Yes, my lord.
Of the present taxing headquarters, the development activities may have to be shifted. So there was a consensus. It appears that because the development activities is now going to take.
No, my lord.
Taking place.
May I, Lordship?
Yes, please. What happened thereafter?
Lordship, the very ownership and title of the said land is in question, Your Lordship. Is in dispute, Your Lordship. Because the petitioner, he is claiming that the land belongs to him, but he does not have any document to prove that the land belongs to him, Your Lordship. There is no LPC, there is no LSA, anything, Your Lordship.
Now see the minute.
And also, Your Lordship, this land was not only this, Your Lordship, this land and the surrounding lands were initially donated by one.
Is there any record?
There is no record. That is why, Your Lordship, I have not filed the additional affidavit, Your Lordship.
My lord,
But it is.
This is just a submission to my lord, mislead this honorable court. My lord,
No,
I
Your
have
Lordship,
shown the
there is a
paper,
letter.
my lord,
There is letter written
official paper, my lord, where it has been already established, my lord.
This land
That
belongs.
the land was never, my lord, either acquired nor donated, my lord.
Your Lordship,
This is the official document of which I am saying, my lord.
private person, Your Lordship.
Please.
Your Lordship, this land does not belong to a private person, Your Lordship. This land is a common land, Your Lordship. It belongs to a Darcy family, Your Lordship. And one of the member of the Darcy family, he has written a letter to the Deputy Commissioner saying that this land belongs to the missing Chadar. Yes, missing Chadar was the. May I read, Your Lordship? May I read for the?
Where?
I have the document for your kind.
No, not in on record.
Not in the record. I have
So that is why you were allowed to file additional affidavit.
It came to the in very later stage. You know,
So maybe, but then you see there is a record. You wanted to file additional affidavit. The court also found that
additional
insufficient.
affidavit was in regard to the donation of the land, Your Lordship. And yes, Your Lordship. And it is the letter. It is letter written by the family member.
If you want these documents to be based in this case, then you have to file in affidavit. Bring it on record only. What is this?
May I read, Your Lordship? This.
Just a minute. What is this affidavit? Why he is given this? Hmm? This probably is not in this case. Hmm?
So item number 12, Your Lordship.
In any case, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
may I, Your Lordship? In any case, Your Lordship, this case is a civil dispute, Your Lordship, because ownership and title of the land is in dispute, Your Lordship, which has to be examined properly by the civil court, Your Lordship, but by producing witnesses and evidences, Your Lordship.
Now you see the minutes of meeting. It was under the
If I
chairman chief of the circle officer of the area.
may I read, Your Lordship, the last page of the petitioner's petition, Your Lordship, 26, page number 26, Your Lordship.
Hmm. Hmm?
Page number 26 of the petitioner's petition, Your Lordship.
20?
26. Annexure 5.
What is that?
Bullet number 3, Your Lordship, 1, 2, third paragraph. May I read, Your Lordship? It has also been brought to the notice of the dignitaries regarding the disagreement among Darcy family regarding construction of circle office on the existing old CO office site at Taksin headquarters. To resolve the same, the attendants have asked for some time period, Your Lordship. The status of this disagreement or the agreement or disagreement of this bullet point has not been cleared yet, Your Lordship.
This was 5th May. It has also been brought to the notice of the dignitaries. What dignitaries?
It is evident that, Your Lordship, there is any disagreement, Your Lordship, disagreement between them, Your Lordship.
Okay,
That is why, Your Lordship, this ownership is not only of
now,
the
now, see, under the circumstances, on what basis the government has decided to establish or to construct headquarters in the present place?
It was donated.
First of all, you have to decide land belongs to whom.
It was donated in 1959, Your Lordship.
Where do
It is not documented, but it is there, Your Lordship.
where is there?
It is claimed by. May I read this letter, Your Lordship?
Which one?
The letter I have, Your Lordship. May I kindly.
I think you have to bring it on record only.
My lord, may I submit, my lord?
Hmm.
Because my pride is missing so many things, my lord. That is on the record, which is on the record, my lord. My lord, I have filed one additional affidavit, my lord. My lord, kindly, I do not
No,
have
I
the
think,
number. This additional affidavit at page number 33, my lord. My lord, my father is saying that the land was donated by the people of that area, my lord. I have applied through RTI, my lord.
the document,
I have been
the document which you wanted to show has been annexed. It is on record, according to you.
No, my lord. This,
Okay.
my lord, I have filed this RTI,
Hmm.
which says that, my lord, and
It is on record.
yes, it is on the record. On record, my lord. Additional affidavit I have filed, my lord.
Additional affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
No, I think we need a detailed hearing on this.
My lord, let us see my document, my lord.
Hmm.
If my lord is convinced with the document, my lord, which I have.
Your Lordship, petitioner has no locus in this case.
No,
Because he is not the owner of the property. Your Lordship.
No,
My lord,
I think we need
my lord,
more time. Hmm.
my friend is, my lord, not in the target, my lord.
Okay.
Only the issue, my lord. Issue is, my lord, whether the land was ever donated or acquired, my lord. That is the issue, my lord. And that
What document you wanted to just show?
that
Wanted to
document,
show?
my lord, may kindly come to
Hmm.
page number 33 of my additional affidavit, my lord.
Hmm.
Before that, my lord, page number 32.
You are Tindu Chadar,
Yes, my lord.
and this
I
is
have- this
Keru
is-
Chadar.
RTI reply, my lord.
Hmm.
32 is
Hmm.
the forwarding and my lord 33 is the reply, which I have sought from the office, my lord. My lord, may kindly see, Keru Cheddar, so and so, furnishing of information under RTI Act 2005. In response to PIO's letter number so and so dated the 21st June 2023, along with PI RTI appeal form under so and so, submitted by applicants Keru Cheddar, I am to furnish the following information as per record available in his establishment of DLRSO, Daporijo. Reply to the RTI filed by Sri Keru Cheddar to PIO, Daporijo by number so and so, that is Daporijo, the 16th May 2023, at Annexure 1. In response to the appeal under so and so, since the taxing headquarters is not acquired, my lord, may kindly see, taxing headquarters is not acquired or notified by government for establishment of circle headquarters. Hence, all the information sought by the applicants Keru Cheddar from serial number 1 to 15 are not available in the office of the district land revenue and settlement officer, Upper Silvachari district, Daporijo. This information has been furnished by DLRSO, my lord.
So it is not
Okay,
required,
what-
that's
what
why
we'll
your
do-
meetings
what we'll
are
do-
conducted, Your Worship.
And thereafter, my lord,
Just a minute.
Meetings are
What
conducted,
is this
that's why,
document?
Your
What is this document you wanted to read?
Yes, Your Worship. There is a letter,
Just a minute. huh?
complaint letter, yes,
Hmm.
which claims that the land in question also belongs to them, Your Worship. That is why I am saying, Your Worship, this title and ownership of the land is a disputed fact, Your Worship, which has to be examined. in the
No,
law.
from these or from that, but then the government has to acquire first in order to establish.
That process is being made, Your Worship. That is why
Where
Your
is the-
Worship,
where is the
these
process?
meetings are being conducted, Your Worship, for
But then before,
that-
before the meeting is concluded, you have started. It appears.
no, that is on the basis of the donation made
By
in
this, by this
1959,
order, it appears that you have already started.
1959.
Allow the department to demolish, to construct the new, construct
in
new building.
May in any way, Your Worship, may I read this one, Your Worship? This
Yes,
letter. To the Deputy Commissioner, Your Worship, the subject contrary to the halting of proposed CO Circle Officer's Office building taxing dated 28 April 2025 by Shri Tindu Chadar. Respected Sir, in proposed to halting of proposed construction activities of CO Circle Office building taxing, I would like to state few lines of words for your kind perusal and necessary action, please. Number one, that sir, the existing Circle Office building was constructed in the year 2001, to 2002, which is a perfect place for future expansion of General Administrative Office and headquarters in cluster model. If required, other surrounding areas, government establish structures for General Administrative Pool. That sir, this existing CO office building and its surrounding areas was voluntarily donated by late missing Chadar of Darshi family of Chadar clan way back to Nefa days in the year 1959 on good faith with moral responsibility for sake of developmental activities in Taxing Circle, and late missing Chadar was the first head Gambura of Taxing Circle. That sir, late missing Chadar, son of late Nori Chadar, who was our grandfather, had multiple wives, so he had many sons. From one wife, he had a son, namely late Tayu Chadar, who was also a head Gambura, is the father of Siri Tindu Chadar. From another wife, he had a son, namely late Kafi Chadar, who happened to be my father. Again, from another wife, he had a son, namely late Tagong Chadar, who is the father of Sri Bali Chadar. And again, from the same mother of late Tayu Chadar, namely late Taming Chadar, who happened to be great-grandfather of Sri Tamir Chadar. Therefore, the stakeholders of this existing CO office building are Sri Tindu Chadar, Sri Tabi Chadar, Sri Bali Chadar, and Sri Tami Chadar, as per the tribal societies ethos and ancestral properties inherited rights.
So the petitioner Tindu Chadar is also.
Yes, Your Worship. He is
Your
also,
owner.
but he
So
is not the
according to-
sole
he
owner.
he is not a sole owner.
Yes, Your Worship. It
But
is not
there-
a private land, Your Worship.
Okay,
It's a
but
family
that
land.
is what I'm saying, but you have to acquire.
They have to, but before acquiring, Your Worship, they have to decide the title.
Even
Your
if,
Worship.
this
Yes.
letter is also agreed to be true, correct, then you see, he is also one of the owner.
But he had come to the court himself.
The other
only.
one, the Chadar,
They have
other
not made the
Chadar,
party.
is also asking for share.
The other brothers have not made the party, Your Worship. In the petition, Your Worship.
Hmm.
They were unknown, Your Worship.
So he is not the only owner.
He is not the
That is the
owner.
only question.
Yes.
But then in any case, you have to make them or you to settle the matter and then acquire from them, including from the petitioner, it appears. But now but
The ownership
before
of the land is
acquiring,
in
before,
dispute, Your
because admittedly, if
Mm.
this also is admitted to be correct one, then the land belongs to them. You have not yet acquired, the government has not yet acquired. In order to establish the headquarter, the government has to first acquire the land or enter into some agreement by executing some agreement with the landowner by giving some benefits or the compensation or whatever manner. But in any case, you have to pay. You have to do something in return of the land donated to you. So that is what the petitioner is claiming.
Yes, that is why. There is a disagreement between the Darcy family. Them.
What is your prayer here in this case?
My lord, my prayer.
There is a disagreement, Your Lordship. They,
No, this is the same family, Chadar family is
Yes,
claiming.
my lord.
Says that
It has
we
to
all
be
are the
settled.
same descendant, including this Tinder, the other Chadar also, the family who has inherited this land, whose great grandfather has donated this land in the year 1950s.
My lord, even if this, the letter which my friend is relying on, it is taken to be true also, my lord.
It is only you who is claiming the petitioner here.
No, my lord.
How many of you?
In fact, yes, he is correct, my lord.
Yes.
We're 4, 5
he came.
brothers. Each one of us has our own share of land within this township headquarters. Where the CEO office is proposed to be constructed, it belongs to my share, my lord.
You have to decide that first.
Yeah, that has to be, but yes, he's correctly saying, my lord. First of all, my lord, what the grievances I am placing before your honor is that the land admittedly has not been acquired, my lord, and nor it has been donated, my lord. And I have shown the reply of the my lord PIO also. It says the land was never acquired nor donated, my lord, which was issued by the elders of my lord, who himself is the PIO of this office, the apology, my lord. My friend, without placing any document to show that the land was donated, my lord, he's just relying on a letter written by one individual man.
Now probably it will be a little difficult to you because the representation has been submitted to you.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now you have to dispose of probably.
Yes.
Dispose of the representation, you settle first.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Among yourself, among the owners of the land. Then you deal with the owners, the group, the family, whosoever may be. If it falls under the present petitioner, the government will have to, you have to pay compensation to the present petitioner only. So you dispose of that with that, I think, suggestion to decide first to whom to pay, because there he is disputing.
No, my lord, that will be the process of this acquisition. That will be within the acquisition process.
now
my lord.
the
Who has to be paid, my lord,
when-
before paying anything, my lord? Anything, they will certainly ascertain who is the real owner of particular this area, my lord.
Because
That is the part of my lord,
among the claimants.
acquisition process, my lord.
There is no evidence that land belongs to the petitioner, Your Lordship.
No. He admittedly
My lord,
belongs to the other family.
my lord, I am
Family.
very sorry, my lord. My friend has not read all the, my lord, this pleadings, my lord. My lord, may kindly take up this another, my lord, my affidavit in reply, my lord.
Now, so what, Mr. Kamdo, what I will do is we'll give an opportunity to just decide among them within 30 days.
Yes.
And then in any case, you have to pay probably you have to pay for the consideration for the land. Now,
My lord, may I say this, my lord? Why, without going into that, my lord, as I have, my lord, submitted now, my lord. In any case, my lord, if they are to acquire the land, they need the land, my lord.
that is what. I said.
Acquisition processes will follow, my lord. And within this process, my lord, they will decide, my lord, who is the rightful owner of particular area, my lord.
Now,
They-
see,
that will-
the writ petition, how to
But only,
titles. That is why I'm saying.
therefore, my lord, therefore, only the thing is that, oh, my lord, I have shown all the document, my lord. May I, my lord, just, just,
Mr. Title may be decided first, then after that, we'll
my lord,
see
just
about the
take up my, this, another affidavit in reply, my lord. This reply was filed on the instruction of this honorable court, my lord. My lord, may I kindly come to that instance from page number 40, my lord.
You dispose of the representation submitted by
Yes.
the another charter, saying that if you are aggrieved, the petitioner is also pending, and then you decide the ownership.
My lord,
42.
that will make the thing more complex, my lord.
No,
My lord, my prayer is that, my lord,
decided first.
since my lord is convinced
Hmm.
on the basis of the document, my lord, which I have annexed, that is the official document, my lord. One minute of the meeting that was held in March 2025, my lord. Another, my lord, RTA reply from the PIO, Public Information Officer, this office Daporija, whereby it says this particular land was never acquired, my lord. Thirdly, my lord, I have a certificate issued by the GB of that particular area, certifying that this particular land belongs to me, my lord. What, my lord, other issues to be determined, my lord. Only the issue, my lord, is that, my lord, the land, my lord, leave it to the, my lord, civil court or any other court, my lord. That they will decide, my lord.
What is your prayer?
But the issue now,
What is your prayer?
my prayer is that, my lord, not to allow the construction of this RCC building, C office building. Then, my
Is
lord,
there any stay here?
no, my lord.
Your Lordship, there is a stay, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
It was granted in the 27 by order 27 June 2025, Your Lordship. I think it says status quo.
Only, my lord, my prayer is the simple order may be passed, saying that, my lord, the land is for the record submission, my lord, of both the council, my lord, and as per the document annexed in
It's a
all the
subject-
predicts, my lord.
Construction will probably, it will go on, and then
Yes.
it will be subject to the outcome of this.
Yes, that was the area, my
So
lord.
that direction you will have.
After that, after that, my lord, no,
May I, Your Lordship, regarding the certificate issued by the Gambura also, Your Lordship, that same author, he is retracting his certificate, Your Lordship.
Now,
He can-
see, unless the person who think that they are also owner, land owner, unless they comes, they are not with us. We cannot give any relief to them. So the present petitioner is claiming here, and unless the other claimant comes, we cannot take account of those claims. So supposing if you dispose of this, saying that, and if he comes, or if they decide, that is another matter.
Yes.
So probably, if you're seeking some time, that maybe, but then that cannot be taken account of, because you are not you are also not ready to file additional affidavit. Hmm.
That was regarding
bring on-
land donation, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
regarding land
Otherwise,
donation, my
it
lord,
would be proper
So-
if the DC is, yes.
So the, is under the circumstances, the this writ court cannot decide the title,
Yes, Your Lordship.
and then since there is already order that the process, the construction will go on, but then it will be subject to the outcome of this writ petition. So in order to settle, and you decide among yourself who is the real owner.
Yes.
Let your brother decide in your favor.
Yes, Your Lordship.
my lord,
Hmm.
my lord,
And then this court
the
may be
situation,
able to direct that
situation,
if there is any compensation is to be paid, it has to be to the petitioner.
saying that, my lord, the land has not been acquired. My lord may not say that the land belongs to the this petitioner only, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord may say that the land seems to belongs to the
Petitioner.
petitioner's family, clear, my
Your
lord.
Lordship,
My lord may say that, my lord,
Other-
because my lord, what is happening in the in outside the court, my lord, outside the court, my lord, even.
Now, see, the other party is saying that it was donated by their father to the government,
Yes, Your Lordship.
free of cost.
My lord,
That is what they.
my lord, I have filed affidavit in that regard, my lord. I have filed the reply, my lord.
Now
served to-
you say that it belongs to you as the Gambura also certified. So there, it has become a disputed land then.
My lord, that will be decided, my lord. There is
Now,
there is a
now
forum for that,
if
my
the
lord.
court pass order that
Your Lordship may otherwise.
to
Your Lordship,
pay or deciding that the government has, sorry, this government has not acquired.
Your Lordship may kindly
Then
direct the
it-
DC to.
that
Yes.
amount to decide decision that the government was not not donated
It was not donated, my lord. That is the official.
by in the 1950.
My
In that time,
my lord, this High Court being a court of record, my lord, I have annexed
What
as many
what
as
record you
4
have?
documents, my lord. 4
it
documents.
doesn't.
Firstly,
What
my
record
lord,
you
the
have?
minors, my lord. Minors, my lord, which was chaired by the CEO himself, my lord. Where it says, my lord, the land was never donated. They were looking for land only, for, my lord. My lord has seen the contents of the minors, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the
If it may, minor of the
RTA reply, my lord, RTA reply, which the copy of which has been furnished to me by the PIO, my lord. It says, my lord, there is no record as such because it was never donated nor acquired, my lord.
Now see.
This is the, my lord,
The
this
CEO
honorable court, my lord.
Just a minute. The CEO in the minor also is seeking the land to be donated free of cost.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the other is also.
Yes.
Now the things has come that it was already donated free of cost to the for establishment of CEO.
No, my lord, where
By
from
then-
they are saying that, my lord? Where from they are saying, my lord? I am relying on the document, my lord, their document, my lord. It is not created by the petitioner, my lord.
Also,
The document which I am relying is the document of them only, my lord.
Anyway,
So therefore, my limited prayer is that, my lord, this matter may be disposed of, saying that, my lord may not say that the land exclusively belong to the petitioner, my lord.
no.
But
no, Your Lordship.
Yeah. Okay. That cannot be.
But fact remains that, my lord, land has never been acquired, my lord. Why, my lord, will be, my lord, this going beyond the document, my lord, which is before your lordship, my lord. The document which, my lord, I am showing, which I have annexed, my lord, is clearly shows that land was never acquired or donated, my lord. That is, and those documents are not created by the petitioner, my lord. Those documents are the document of the state, my lord.
Heard Mr. D. Kamdo, Lana Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. Sangeeta, Lana Government Advocate, appearing on behalf of the government respondent. State respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
My lord, may my just if my lord is not this disposing of the matter, my lord may give them some time and to file affidavit because, my lord, they are relying on some document, my lord. Though it may be
May I pray, Your
document
Lordship,
of
may I
individual
pray?
person, but the matter may be fixed next week, my lord. If my lord is not willing to dispose of the matter,
Your Lordship.
if my lord on the line, my lord, which I have suggested and prayed for, my lord, if that this can be disposed of in that line, my lord, I'll be obliged, my lord. If not, my lord, matter may be fixed for next week, my lord. In the meantime, they can file any this affidavit, my lord.
Your Lordship,
If
this writ petition can be dismissed, Your Lordship. This writ petition can be dismissed, Your Lordship, by directing them to seek.
On what basis it will be dismissed?
But this is civil dispute, Your Lordship. The ownership is in dispute, Your Lordship.
Who disputed?
The families, Your Lordship.
Who is the
It is-
family?
It is also seen.
Who is the family?
It is.
Where is the family?
Your Lordship, it is, may I read, Your Lordship, that page 26.
That is
of May.
not before the court,
This agreement,
not on record.
petition, it is recorded in the petitioner's petition, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
Annexed it, Your Lordship. In the meeting, Your Lordship, the annexure 5 of the petitioner's petition, Your Lordship,
Page
26, Your Lordship. It has also been brought to the notice of the dignitaries regarding the disagreement among the Darcy family. There is a disagreement, Your Lordship, between them, Your Lordship, amongst them, regarding the title and ownership of the land, Your Lordship.
What is this?
Regarding construction of circle office on the existing old CO office site at Taksin headquarters to resolve the same
Not
that this
connected.
had asked for some period.
Regarding disagreement among Darcy. Who is this Darcy family? Now it is not Darcy. Not Darcy family. This is Cheddar family.
This Chadar family, they belongs to the Darcy family, Your Lordship. They come under Darcy family.
Hmm?
Chadar is a subtitle, Your Lordship.
Of Darcy.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But whatever may be, Darcy or Chadar, but then you have to acquire, you have not yet acquired. You identify the owner of the land and pay compensation and
That's
establish.
why, Your Lordship, may I pray, Your Lordship, the direction may be given to the DC to dispose of the letter, Your Lordship,
What letter?
which was written by the same Darcy family, member of the.
Where
Darcy
is,
family.
where? Which annex?
Which, it is not annexed, Your Lordship.
What are you saying? The documents not on record will
Otherwise,
say that you will place any document, will direct to dispose of that document which is to be placed before Deputy Commissioner or not yet placed. Yeah.
otherwise, Your Lordship,
So-
may I,
So what we'll do, these all letters, you contain some pages. This, instead of keeping it, CAB, we'll try to dispose of next week.
My lord,
Okay?
my lord.
I may be given 1 week
Even if
time
I
to.
keep it as CAB also, now we don't have a Saturday also, not going to have Saturday also. Only Sunday will be here. So, because I need to go through this.
Your Lordship,
The
may I
documents
pray,
which
Your
he has
Lordship, may I
quoted
pray,
at
Your
some
Lordship?
points.
Your Lordship, otherwise, Your Lordship, I may be given a 1 week time to file the additional affidavit, bringing
It's up
this
to you.
report.
You were
all
given,
report, Your Lordship.
there is order. That is why I'm asking you.
The letter of the,
My lord, may I say this, my lord?
Hmm.
Because, my lord, this court has to, my lord, do the justice, my lord.
Hmm.
For the end of the justice, my lord, she may be allowed to file affidavit, my lord, to bring in record this document, my lord, because we may have to counter, my lord.
No, in any case, see, the ownership, the deputy commissioner has to identify the owner and then to pay the compensation and to acquire the land.
My lord, since, my lord, even the land acquisition process has not been started, my lord.
Hmm.
The deputy commissioner, my lord, cannot
Before
identify the.
Establishment,
My-
you have to first confirm about the land
yes.
My lord,
by way of acquiring or whatever may be agreement, voluntary donation, free donation, whatever.
Deputy Commissioner, my lord, he's not the right person to identify the owner of the land, my lord. It has to be, my lord, through court, my lord, either civil court or,
No,
my lord.
deputy commissioner allow,
So therefore, my lord,
deputy commissioner will only say that we are going to establish headquarter here. So you decide who this land belongs to whom. We are going to pay, we are going to acquire, and who is ready to donate, whatever may be. But then deputy commissioner at least will say that.
that while acquiring, my lord, obviously they will assert in, my lord, even if this court does not direct, my lord, deputy commissioner to assert in, my lord. Because, my lord, deputy commissioner, as per the, my lord, law also, he is not the rightful person to decide the ownership, my lord. It has to come to, my lord, court, my lord. We are this bargaining deputy commissioner for a job, my lord, which he is at all not entitled, my lord. So thereby, my lord, we will be making complex, more complex of the matter, my
this
lord.
stage.
Only, my lord, at least at this stage, my lord, my prayer, my lord, simple prayer is that, and my lord is convinced, I believe, my lord, that the land which the petitioner is claiming, it was never acquired, my lord.
Yes, that is there.
My lord.
Okay, so what is submitted?
Also,
We'll give an
petitioner doesn't
opportunity
have
to
locus, Your Lordship.
respond. Okay, Ms. Sangeeta, Land Council.
Next week.
Land Government Advocate for the state respondent. Praise for allowing her to bring on record some document related to the case by way of filing affidavit, additional affidavit. The prayer is allowed. The prayer not being objected is allowed. List this matter after a week.
4, 3.
1 week.
Yes, Your Lordship. 1
Okay.
week after. No.
After a week, okay.
By 10.
On 10, my lord, we
Okay. As prayed for, list is narrow on 10th. Oh, and age prayed for, by the Land Council for the parties, list is narrow on 10th February. Okay.
oblige.
Item number 11 and 12.
I'm for petitioner, my lord. This both writ petition.
Okay. Oh, yes, this was listed yesterday.
Yesterday, my lord. Because of urgency that they have filed one IA for
IA.
vacation of ex parte interim order.
Vacation,
For vacation, they have filed one IA respondent.
199.
14.
199 and also 14.
14.
What
There
is
are two writ
199?
petitions.
Oh, 14 is new,
14.
today,
No, Lordship. Notice was already issued on 19.
in 14.
Yes. Lordship.
Why this has been then newly?
Lordship, today they filed a reply to that.
Or reply today?
Yes. Reply to the IA 14.
Okay, you have received.
Yes, I have received.
What do we do today?
Lordship, the IA has been filed, the whole case of the writ petition, writ petitioner, is that in the transfer matter, there cannot be an interstate transfer between a senior and a junior. According to him, he says that he is that I'm not eligible to be transferred in the place where he was last posted. Now, I have filed of course, that interim order that was based on the Arunachal Pradesh Forest Service rules schedule, where there is a classification of post in which what one has to be what sort of post has to be held by which forest divisions. Those are there. Now, Lordship, that interim order was passed, a status quo order was passed. By that time, I had already joined my place of posting in his place. Yes, yes. But it was not forwarded yet to the higher authorities. It was forwarded on the transfer order was on 16/7/25. I had joined on 17/7/25. On 24/7/25, it was forwarded to the PCCF. But by that time, on 24/7/25, interim status quo order was passed in WPC 331.
Okay.
Thereafter, in WPC 331, there was a during that time they had filed a representation which was not yet disposed of. In the meantime, representation was disposed of and rejected by the respondent authorities. So therefore, WPC 445 has been filed against the same transfer order. So these two are connected. Now, the interim status quo order was passed on the ground, number one, on merits, saying that since I'm a junior, I could not have replaced him as per the Arunachal Pradesh Forest Service rules. Now, Lordship, I have filed this IA to vacate the status quo order. Number one, undergrounded, I had already joined. Now, because of this order, I'm left hanging. Number two, that it is not correct to say that he alone is entitled to that post, because the Pasigat Forest Division, which is the subject post of this case itself, is to be held by a IFS officer, as per the Kedar rules, amendment of Kedar rules, Lordship, which is the Pasigat Forest Division is to be manned by a person from IFS Kedar. So therefore, he is also not fully entitled to it. But because of the shortage of staff, the Arunachal Pradesh Forest Service persons are also
posted. So his whole case is that. So on that ground, I filed this IA application. So my humble understanding is, Lordship, if the IA has to be heard, it is going to the merit of the case itself.
Yes.
So therefore, in order to expedite the matter, since I have also already filed affidavit in oppositions, may I pray that the matter itself may be heard
Today.
today? If not today, then another date.
If it can be hard today, I am ready, my lord. Because the first ground which they have taken, saying that he has already joined, there is no as such in the record. Joining report it was submitted.
What is the?
Thereafter also subsequently, my lord, in the writ petition 323,
Hmm.
when they have filed IA, we have filed entire documents that he was working as range forest officer, Pasigat. He was discharging his duty as range forest officer, Pasigat.
Who the
Therefore,
petitioner?
this respondent number 3,
For
that is there in the record.
Hmm. He was discharging?
He was discharging his duty as range forest officer.
Okay, range forest officer.
Meaning thereby he did not join as a DFO Pasigat.
Okay.
So everything is there in the record. So they cannot mislead this honorable court. Firstly,
Now, since, okay, then what we'll do is if the entire thing is to be heard, then we'll fix it for hearing Monday or Tuesday.
Monday, Tuesday, we have a problem.
Not in, not.
I can consent.
Since
it will be
meetings are complete?
Yes.
not yet complete. We have to file reply to the regional to the
Okay.
affidavit in opposition of government.
That was filed, government affidavit, to my understanding, it was filed long time back. So if they have to
We have-
file it, a very short date may be given.
We have received the copy on 8 January 16.
Okay.
So with the consent of the party, matter may be fixed on 13.
On 30, in the meantime, you'll file affidavit reply.
Reply.
Okay.
Only to the government's reply.
Mr. Tama, Running Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Shirimati. The state is the respondent number.
1 and 2.
Mr. Riba. Then addition, Sonasini, Senior Government Advocate for the respondent number 1 and 2, and Ms.
Respondent 3.
Nikita Dangan for respondent number 3 are present on the consent of all the parties. Atlantic Council appearing on behalf of the parties. Let this matter be listed on
13 February. 13 February.
13 February. For hearing, In the meantime, the petitioner may file his affidavit in reply to the affidavit so filed by the respondent number.
State respondent 1 and
State respondent 1 and 2 in
WPC number 445.
in WPC number 445. Okay, that is not before.
My lord, it may also be mentioned that he is not filing a reply to the affidavits filed by me.
Okay, maybe
Yes.
not ready.
He said he's not going to file. He said he's going to file only with regard, because next time it may not be the case that.
Okay, then you are not filing.
We are not filing against him.
Okay.
This is
Mr.
government.
Tama, Running Counsel.
Government
for the
actions we are
petitioner.
challenging.
Some is that he is not going to, he is not filing any affidavit in reply. In which?
In the affidavit, in reply to the counter filed by the respondent 3. I have already filed counter.
In 331.
331 and 445.
Okay, in reply to the counter.
331, you have not filed
In
affidavit.
both this petition number.
Government has not filed affidavit in
331 and 445.
Yes, I have filed. Yes.
Okay. So
in that case, in 331, we'll file rejoinder.
Okay, 331 you will file.
File rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed by private respondent number 3.
Okay.
But
then,
445 will be filing only reply
Then-
against the government.
Okay, then Mr. Samis, that praise for allowing him to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 3 in respondent number 3 and
In 331, WPC number 331.
and in WPC number 445, he is not filing. Sorry, he has filed.
And then I'll be
And then
filing
yeah,
rejoinder in respect of affidavit in opposition filed by 1 and 2,
okay.
445.
Let's rejoin there to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondent number 1 and 2. Okay.
My lord, 445. Because 445, my lord, this is upgraded one, 331 subsequently.
In view of the above and is prayed for, list is matter on 13th February. Okay, for hearing.
Meantime, interim is there, that may be continued.
The interim order passed earlier.
In both the cases.
Okay.
This means maybe given to us at least 2 days before because we start on 13th.
Correct.
Okay.
2 days, 2 days
Fine,
before.
After his prayer, the prayer is allowed. The petitioner shall furnish copy of the affidavit in reply to be filed by him be furnished to the respondent respective respondents at least 2 days ahead of the 13th.
2 days prior to 13.
2 days prior to the next date. Okay.
My lord. And interim in both the cases, maybe kindly
Interim.
continued.
Say.
Excellent. Highly obliged.
Yes.
Item number 13.
May I plead, Your Lordship? My lord, in this, I think Your Lordship may give some more time. In fact, their contention was that on the issue of maintainability, so I may be given at least 1 week. I will just get instruction with from my client in regards to the maintainability. If I will just discuss with my client, Your Lordship, I may be given 1 week time.
Yes.
My lord, my
Yes.
lord, I appear for respondent number 2, 3, and 5, Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. We are the main respondents and in this matter, my lord. My lord, we may be allowed to file a small affidavit on the point of law to bring about the issue of maintainability. It may come up after 3 weeks, my lord. In the meantime, we'll file an affidavit, serve a copy, and then the matter can be taken up, my lord, at the admission stage itself.
Mr.
N. Khera, my lord.
N. Khera. You are standing counsel?
Power
No.
Grid, my lord. Respondent number
Standing counsel?
of my lord.
Standing counsel for the respondent number 2, 3, and 5.
My lord.
Praise for allowing him to file affidavit regarding the maintainability of the petition. The prayer has not been objected to by the land counsel for the petitioner. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. Miss.
My
Your
lord,
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 4 and 4 and 6.
Okay. No, you are 4 and 6. You are 4?
For respondent number 1.
Okay, Miss.
Appearing on behalf of Malaysia.
Your Lordship, I have not been served extra copies, Your Lordship.
You serve extra copy.
Okay, wish.
Okay.
You can serve.
Miss so appear on behalf of. You are appearing on behalf of? N? Okay.
Marto Kato.
Okay, M. Kato. Line DFG on behalf of the respondent number 1. Ms. Basa for the state respondent number
4 and 6.
4 and 6. Okay. Staffer. Page prayed for by the Lana Council for the respondent. List is matter after 3 weeks.
4 weeks, my lord.
Okay.
4 weeks.
After 4 weeks. Staffer. In the meantime, the petitioner shall furnish requisite extra copy to the Lana Council appearing on behalf of the respondent number
4 and 6.
4 and 6. You have received the copy. Okay.
Apply.
My lord, I may be allowed to file an affidavit, my lord, in the meantime.
Yes, yes, allowed.
Obliged,
Dictated.
my lord.
Item number 14.
May I please, Lord?
Yes,
This is a pension matter, madam. This regarding settlement of pension, madam.
okay.
Madam, kindly come to, may I take your lordship to the order dated 8 December 2025.
Probably affidavit not yet filed.
Not yet.
You have filed?
It's ready, we'll be serving it today. After serving only.
Then, my lord, let them file today, my lord. Let this matter maybe.
You are filing today?
Yes, I'll serve it now.
Mr. Lanet, additional senior government advocate appearing on behalf of the state respondent number
1.
Some that she is filing affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 1 today itself. And you are for?
Respondent number 4.
Have you filed affidavit?
My lord,
No, there is no need of file affidavit.
not the requirement.
Mr.
T. Tagam on behalf of El Parme.
Lanet counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. L. Parme, Lanet standing counsel for power department.
Yes,
Standing counsel for respondent number
power department, my lord.
4. Respondent number 4. Power
Respondent number 4, power department, submits that the respondent number 4 is not filing affidavit. In view of the above, and as prayed for, come and list this matter next week.
Next week, my lord.
Okay.
It's 9, my lord. 9th, my lord. If possible.
On 9th.
Yes, my lord.
Are you filing affidavit in opposition, reply?
My lord, in the meantime, if necessary, I will file.
Okay, as prayed for, come and list this matter on 9th.
Yes, my lord.
There is another lawsuit. Affidavit. We need to file for the lawsuit.
Which respondent?
Audit and pension also. One is also come lawsuit.
Okay, you are representing audit and pension also.
Yes, lawsuit.
That is a separate affidavit.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
It is, my
is
lord.
ready?
My lord, this respondent number 1 is audit and pension, I think, my lord. He is the main respondent, my lord.
Yes. Administrative reform and principal secretary finance.
Yes, my lord. They are
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
This is for respondent number 1, which you have received.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and 2 and 3?
Yes.
My lord, let it be fixed on 9, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, so I will, if required, I will file the affidavit. My lord,
Then
file their.
after filing today, an advance copy has been furnished to Mr. Lampu, Lanet counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner, who acknowledge the receipt. Okay. You are going to file separate affidavit.
Lawsuit that I got through lawsuit. Let it be on 9th.
Okay, so as prayed for by the Lanet counsel for the parties, list this matter on 9th. In the meantime, the parties shall exchange their necessary affidavits. Okay.
My lord.
Yes.
Necessary pleadings. Okay.
Item number 15.
Right.
Lordship,
Yes.
in this case, in pursuant to the order dated 7/11/2025, I have submitted the certified copy before the authorities. So, in this order, the court has directed the authority to dispose of the pending representation, which is filed before the authorities on 30/07/2025. So thereafter, now it's 78 days. They are not disposing my representation.
My lord,
You file
yes.
affidavit.
Yes, my lord, I'll file affidavit, my lord. As per in my latest instruction, my lord,
Okay.
the petitioner has been, has requested, my lord, we have proceeded for consideration of his representation, her representation.
Okay.
But in the meantime, well, for consideration, her
PRC SC certificate that was required.
Okay.
He was requested to furnish the required document, but
Okay.
as per the
No,
instruction,
no, Lordship,
but as per instruction, she could not furnish and short for 2 weeks' time, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, with the time matter was adjourned for 2 weeks, my lord, and subsequent status I need to obtain, my lord, at latest position, my lord. This is the latest
And in the
position.
meantime, are you also filing affidavit?
Yes, my lord, that is one, because affidavit is required, my lord. So that is the, as of now, my lord, latest position after the granting 2 weeks' time, my lord. I don't know, I could not contact the authority, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, we'll get all detailed latest position and also file affidavit, my lord.
Is the government is also filing affidavit? Okay.
Lordship,
Mr. T. Tagore.
Lordship, may I say? That hearing had been already concluded.
No, that's all right. We'll bring it on record, but the thing.
I have a copy.
What
Matter,
concluded?
yes, Lordship, in pursuant to representation. So, respondent number 3, that is Secretary, Family Health and Family Welfare, they issue notice, initiated the proceeding. And thereafter, hearing had been concluded on 18/12/2025. Thereafter, I have submitted all my documents regarding domicile, residential. Thereafter, what they had.
He doesn't have the latest.
That is why, my lord. What is the?
I have a copy.
Obtain the instruction.
Certified copy, Lordship.
That is all right.
So thereafter,
The official is that as what decision the authority has
Lordship,
taken, but that's to be brought on record, my lord. That is
Lordship,
the
may I
one.
humbly submit it. Lordship, thereafter, the matter was referred before the Law Department, Home Department for clarification. Lordship, I belong to a very destitute family. So my salary had been held up since September. So in that case, my entry bear may be allowed, granted.
My lord, only my respectful submission in such nature of the case, once termination is done, my lord, if it's termination found to be illegal, my lord, he'll get all back wages also, my lord. That is the settled principle law.
Mr. T. Tagore. Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare. Family Welfare?
Yes, my lord. Health and
Department.
Family Welfare Department.
Some state. He is yet to receive the latest status of disposal of regarding the disposal of the representation submitted by the petitioner. For which he require how much time you said?
My lord, 3 weeks' time, my lord.
Lordship, otherwise it's violation of this honorable court order.
My lord, that is why, my lord, we have.
Then if there is a violation, you file contempt petition. Okay. But then if it is in the process, you have been asked to give a document. Document was given. Initially, it was not given. Subsequently, it was given, and
Lordship,
probably
Lordship, I
doesn't
have
have the
submitted-
official record of disposing of.
Lordship,
let
I have
him
already
receive the
submitted. Yes.
Official instruction.
My lord.
Regarding the disposal of the representation submitted by the petitioner, for which he requires some time. The prayer is allowed. List is matter, as prayed for, comma, list is matter after 3 weeks. Stop. Mr.
Tabat Tukur.
Planning Council for the petitioner is also is also present. Okay, Tabatuku is present. Miss Basar, Planning Council appearing on behalf of the respondent number, state respondent number 1. Is also present, huh? Okay, Togum for 1, 2, 3, and 4.
6, my lord.
2?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, my lord.
Okay, 2 to 6, huh? Togums. Okay. List is matter after 3. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 17.
Lordship, this is a very long pending cases. Kindly see, Lordship, I have filed affidavit, Lordship, in the case. Affidavit is of 14 October 2024, but as per the Honorable Court direction, order dated 21/2/2024, thus copy was served in Dusty to the respondent number 3 on 8 March 2024. And it affect
Well,
already
how many respondents are there?
respondent is
Private, whether the private, respondent
government
have
is
filed
there,
their
private
affidavit?
private respondent is there.
Yes, Your Lordship, we have filed already.
Already government
Okay,
is
what
filed.
about the private respondent number 3?
Number 3 refused to appear in the in this matter.
Has it
Since
been
we have
brought on record?
no,
Reflected in the order sheet? No.
that is why I'm reading my affidavit. For this honorable board.
What affidavit?
Affidavit saying that declaring that I have already served copy to the respondent
Okay.
number 3.
So,
That is affidavit
what way you have-
affidavit dated 4th October 2024.
Just a minute, huh?
Affidavit
Oh,
was-
Dusty service.
yes, that's as per the honorable court direction. That's the service.
Okay, where do
Copy
we
was
find?
served. It was filed on 4th October 2024.
Okay, just a minute.
Yes. And on 29 January 2029, matter came, matter after filing affidavit, matter can be put this honorable
Heard
court,
Mr.
but
Tapak, non-counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Rira, non-counsel appearing on behalf of the state respondent number 1 and 2. Non-government advocate, huh? Appearing on behalf of the state respondent number 1 and 2. Start. The counsel for the petitioner, non-counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has taken steps upon the private respondent number 3 by way of justice service and while compliance
application,
affidavit
compliance affidavit
showing
on, it was on 4th October 2024.
notice, service of notice by of trustee, by way of trustee, was received by the respondent number 3. Where?
Kindly see page number 30. This,
30?
Yes, page
30?
number 30.
Okay, that is
Paragraph
there.
number 2. How this justice service was
No,
copied.
where is her signature?
Signature, he refused to take, copy was taken, but refused to give the signature. It was the case.
Is it?
Yes. He took the copy. The petitioner and the respondent number 3 is of same village and brother too.
Petitioner and?
Petitioner and this petitioner and the
respondent.
private respondent number 3 is a brother. This is
Okay.
this is a matrimonial disputes. Connection with some fine was imposed. That was the local.
Brother
court
is
matter.
from the same blood?
Not exactly clan brother.
Clan brother.
Yes. That is the way.
Where have you stated that he refused?
Para number 2, paragraph number 2 of my affidavit, page number 30.
Compliance affidavit.
As per the direction of this honorable court, 21 February 2024, step was taken through justice service on dated 20 March 2020. However, respondent refused
Okay.
to sign over the acknowledgement.
Where it stated although
Deliberately.
steps was taken through justice service on 28/3/2024. However, the respondent number 3, despite the receipt of the notice, refused to sign and acknowledge the same.
Copy has been accepted on 28 March. At Tarak village.
Okay. In view of the above, the notice upon the respondent number 3 is deemed to be complete. However, no one appears on behalf of the respondent number 3. Okay, then
Service may be presumed
The
and
state has
matter may be
filed-
fixed for hearing.
Yes, Your Lordship.
state has filed affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay,
Yes.
since
Already
the
filed.
state has already filed the state respondent number 1 and 2 has already filed their affidavit. The matter is ready for hearing.
Matter may be
In view of the above, let this matter be listed.
for hearing.
Uh,
May be admitted and fixed for hearing.
Okay,
May be admitted because this is in order column. Admitted and fixed for hearing.
okay. Okay, the matter is admitted and list it for hearing after 4 weeks.
All right.
of the usual process. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Item number 18.
My Lordship, I, on behalf of Leshan Parme, for petitioner. Lordship, private respondent number from 5 to 8, they don't file affidavit in reply.
Okay.
Your Lordship, we will be filing shortly.
Okay, Mr. You are Mr.
Titagam.
Council. He is present on behalf of Mr. Lee Sing Permel and council for the petitioner. Staff, huh? Mr.
M. Kambo.
State is 1 and 2
Yes, 1 to 4, Your Lordship.
are also filing.
We have already filed.
Already filed. Okay. Miss Sangeeta, government advocate for respondent number 1 and 2.
1 to 4, Your Lordship.
The 1 to 4 is present and submit that the state has filed their affidavit. Mr. Kambo, council appearing on behalf of the respondent number
5, 6, 7, and 8.
5, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay.
And Lordship, interim may be continue.
Total, how many respondents? Up to 8.
Yes, Lordship.
5, 6, 7, and 8. Praise for father. How much time you are seeking for?
2 weeks, Your Lordship. 2 weeks.
Father, sir, praise for father 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of the rest. Affidavit. And what about this 9, 10, 11? Then counsel for the petitioner. Have you taken steps upon the respondent number 9, 10, and 11?
Lordship, we have already served the copy, but still we didn't get any reply from them.
The rest of the respondent number 9, 10, and 11 are yet to appear. Any were recorded earlier? No. Okay. No, leave that because 9 to 11 is complete. Okay, in view of the above, and I prayed for come list is matter after 3 weeks. Okay. In the meantime, you file affidavit?
Yes.
Item number 20 and 21.
My lord,
Yes.
my lord, in WPC 224 of 2025, my lord, as per the last order dated 28/7/2025, we were required to take steps, my lord, upon respondent number 4, which we have taken since.
You have taken?
Yes, my Lord. I'm appearing on behalf of private respondent number 4. My Lord.
Okay, you are appearing.
Yes, my Lord.
Office is
We have
come up.
received.
So,
My Lord, we may be given some time for
Okay.
filing.
Mr.
Arriba, my Lord.
No, Mr.
N.
Nkera.
Khera, my lord.
Land Council petitioner. Miss Basar, Land Council, have you filed?
I have not received extra copies yet, Your Lordship.
Okay, you serve extra copy to the council for the state respondent?
Extra copies I have not received.
We'll serve it, my lord. Within 2 days, we'll give it.
Okay. Miss Basar, Land Council, appearing on behalf of the state respondent number 1, 2, 3.
3, yes.
Some is that she is yet to receive extra copy of the petition. Mr. Khera, Land Council for the petitioner, has undertaken to furnish extra, how many copies?
3 copies, Your Lordship.
extra 3 copies to the Lanet government advocate within 3 days from today. Okay, you are Mr.
Riba, Riba.
R. Riba, Lanet Council put appear on behalf of the private respondent number 4 and prays for some time to file affidavit in opposition. They are allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Yes.
Okay.
Item number 22.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
I'm for petitioner.
Yes. File on behalf of the respondent number 6. Who is for the respondent number? Please, how many respondents are there? Well, the state has better filed.
We have
any
filed, my
affidavit.
lord.
Hmm?
We have filed.
Yeah, filed.
Yes.
For respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. And private respondent number 6, not yet filed. Have you served,
Your Lordship, it seems like
steps?
they've filed your Vakalatnama. Respondent number 6.
Who?
Respondent number 6.
Okay.
As per
respondent
the
number
office
6.
note.
Name reflected. This is item 22. Who filed Vakalatnama on behalf of? Okay, Mr. Tagum.
Yes, my lord.
For respondent number 6 appearing, are you filing affidavit?
My lord, as per my lord, the pleading of this case, my lord, although without entering the merit, my lord, although there's the, as per government has also filed the affidavit, as per affidavit, my lord, the LPC obtained by the petitioner has been cancelled or as he has obtained the LPC on the basis of the forged document. Now, that was the fact of the matter. But now, in this petition, since they have come up with a technical issue.
Just a minute. You take break in the meantime. Respondent number 6 is still awaited. Okay, you are for private respondent?
Yes, private respondent.
Okay.
Now, only their prayer is that there was a round of litigation earlier, my lord, wherein the liberty has been granted to the petitioner to approach the appropriate forum under the statute, my lord. They have filed their representation before the Secretary Land Management. So according to them, that this the Secretary Land Management is the competent authority to decide their representation. But instead of deciding, it has been endorsed to the Deputy Commissioner, which they're saying, which are there containing that they are not competent. Therefore, it should have been decided by the Secretary himself, my lord. So in this scenario, my lord, I feel that without entering into matter, this can be remanded back to the authority, my lord.
Which authority?
To the Secretary Land Management, my lord, because he has not decided the matter by himself.
Okay, whether from the Deputy Commissioner, whether he endorsed back to?
Yes.
Well, endorsed back or not yet?
He has endorsed back. First, complaint was lodged before the appeal was filed before the Secretary Land Management. But instead, it seems that there's a wrong misconception on the application of law. So accordingly, this matter was endorsed to the Deputy Commissioner. Since LPC was cancelled by the additional Deputy Commissioner.
Okay.
So additional Deputy Commissioner includes the Deputy Commissioner. Deputy Commissioner include the additional Deputy Commissioner. Since the cancellation was done by the additional Deputy Commissioner, the appeal should have been decided by the Secretary Land Management himself.
Okay. But then instead of disposing,
yes,
he has
endorsed the matter.
But the Deputy Commissioner endorsed.
No. Deputy Commissioner has decided the matter. Now they have challenged the decision of the Deputy Commissioner, saying that Deputy Commissioner does not
have the power.
Yes. So in that view of the matter, since their representation addressed to the Secretary Land Management is pending, has not been decided by himself. So in that view, that representation may be directed to be disposed of by the Secretary Land Management.
Do you agree
That's
with that?
their prayer.
Agree with the proposal?
Your Lordship, in that case, I have to seek instruction from my senior counsel.
That is, and they are pleading as what I'm
next week when your senior is coming.
Your Lordship, I will consult him and I will seek, fix that.
Huh?
I will consult my senior and we'll have a fix that.
We'll say next week.
Yes, next week.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Kambalani Council. For the, your name is also there. M. Kambalani Council for the petitioner is present. Miss Somo. Miss.
Kiwang.
Yeah, Gui Wang, Lani Council for the respondent number 1 to 5. Is also present and submitted that the state has filed their affidavit. The Mr. Tagum, Lani Council, appearing. Earlier also appeared.
No,
Okay.
no, my
Appearing.
earlier not appearing for the first time, my lord.
Okay. Would appear on behalf of the respondent number
6.
You will not be filing any affidavit?
My lord, in that case, I thought, my lord, since I just,
You make that proposal,
my lord,
dispose of accordingly.
my lord.
Okay.
But if
In
it is
the
not that,
affidavit,
yeah.
make that proposal, and then you, in the meantime, you also obtain instruction from your senior.
Yes, yes, master.
Okay, on the basis of this affidavit, and then after obtaining instruction, we'll dispose of
Yes,
with the direction. Okay. I praise for some, praise for 1 week time to file affidavit, necessary affidavit. So, the prayer is allowed. List is matter after a week.
my lord.
Okay.
Your Lordship, interim order is there.
The interim order
Yes.
passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
No, deeply obliged.
Item number 23 and 24.
Milord, if I may be allowed to make a submission. Your Lordship, I'm making submission on behalf of Mr. Gagum Nolan, sir. His tenure as the standing counsel for the NIT is expired. His tenure as the standing counsel for the NIT is expired. And since he no longer holds the post, his name may be struck off from the list, Your Lordship.
Who is he?
Gagum Nolan, item number 24.
G. Lolan. Is for respondent number?
He responded. For the NIT, Your Lordship, he was standing counsel for the NIT.
What's 4?
2 to 7.
2 to 7
Yes, NIT.
or NIT? Assistant professor. They are individual. So, you are for?
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 1.
Have you filed affidavit, any affidavit?
No, Lordship, we are performer respondent in this matter, Lordship.
1 is pro forma respondent.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. You are for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr.
P. Wangpan, Your Lordship.
Wangpan, counsel for the petitioner. He is present. Miss.
Waigao. Appearing on
Waigao.
behalf of M. Kato.
Your name is there? No.
No, Lordship, appearing
Okay.
on behalf of M.
Okay,
Kato.
Waigao. Lani counsel appear on behalf of Mr. Kato. Lani DSGI, GDSGI for the respondent number 1. Stapa. Mr.
P. Ronia on behalf of
P.
G. Lolan.
Lani counsel submitted the tenure of Mr.
G. Lolan, sir. Gagum Lolan.
G. Lolan. Lani standing counsel for
NIT.
NIT, Arunachal Pradesh. Not continued.
No, sir.
Okay. Has been expired, and since the same has not been continued, the name of Mr. Gerung Lolin is standing counsel for NIT for respondent numbers 2 to 7 may be struck off as he is no longer appearing on behalf of the NIT. So the prayer is allowed. The registry shall do the needful. Okay, stop. Huh? Then these respondent number 2 to 7 is to engage another set of advocates to represent them, isn't it? But here in the office note also, it says that service report in respect of respondent number 2 to 7 are still awaited. Service probably still awaited.
Yes, sir.
The office note dated 27/1/2026 also reflect that the service upon the respondent number 2 to 7 is still are still awaited. In view of the above, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. Okay.
Item number 25.
May I, my lordship? My lordship, IA number 306 may be taken up tomorrow, my lordship. And this Mr. S. Tapin, he'll be appearing. He has some difficulties to do.
What is this matter about? To be taken up tomorrow?
I think,
Application of interim order.
but there is two IEM alert. One IA is, the government has filed one IA for the modification of interim order, and another is for implement. Two IAs are there. But in alert, I have been, in fact, this matter, if IA is allowed, then the rate petition will become infructuous.
Okay.
I'll just tag to the.
Okay, the vacations.
Yes.
Okay.
So my prayer will be that we are yet to file reply to the counter affidavit filed by them, especially in the main.
Counsel for the petitioner prays for some more, how much time?
Madam, date can be fixed, I think,
Prays for some time to file. reply.
second week of February.
They have filed affidavit.
There's an
Affidavit.
so it may be taken up Monday or Tuesday.
We have to file reply to the main writ petition, and we are yet to file. And this, if it
No,
is.
they have filed affidavit. You want to file
No,
reply?
they have filed IA. We have filed reply to IA, but then the IA which they are seeking for modification, if it is allowed, it is almost disposing of the main writ petition. So my prayer is that it has to be, the main writ petition has to be disposed of. So now we are yet to file reply in the main writ petition. So we may be allowed to file writ petition, and matter can be fixed and it can be disposed of on.
You may be allowed to file what?
Reply to the counter affidavit filed by the.
File counter affidavit also.
They have filed counter affidavit in the main petition.
Okay.
So we are yet to file in the main
Prays
petition.
for some time to file reply to the counter affidavit filed by the state respondent. Okay.
If it can be fixed on 11 or 12, my lord, so that we also file the counter affidavit in the main petition, and then it can be disposed of. We also read it for.
Tomorrow, my lordship.
No, what is submitting is that if we hear the IA, it will amount to hearing the entire matter on merit.
Yes, that is there.
If we dispose of the IA, it amounts to dispose of the writ petition itself. Nothing remains there.
Yes, nothing remains.
What is this matter about?
Basically, the all petitioners are widows. It's a compassionate appointment under the police department.
Compassionate appointment.
Yes, but then under the schemes.
What order was passed?
Order was that what happened was that when we file that challenging that they have, what they have done is that for the compassion appointment, they have started, they have routed to the examination, my lord. Written examination and interview. Whereas as per the scheme, there is no provision for the examination, written examination and interview. So now when we challenge, then the government said that we are already on the process of the examination. Then your lordship was pleased to direct the order that.
Item number?
So the interim was that it should be outcome of the without the leave of this this court, my lord. That was the order dated 11/9/2025.
11/9.
Yes, my lord. They have enclosed in the page, my lord, your lordship may see in page 57, page 57 of the IA, my lord. Your lordship may see that our main writ petition, order dated 11/9/2025.
11/9.
Yes, my lord.
What is the name of the petitioner?
Petitioners, my lord, Tanya Nodu.
306.
306, yes. 306 is IA. Writ petition 439.
IA, okay.
439 is the main writ petition.
And then 439 is the writ petition. What is the?
Page 16 will be the operative person, page 16.
Not finalize the selection process without leave of this court.
Yes, that is the order. my lord.
Already you have faced examination.
We have challenged the whole process, saying that they cannot conduct the examination.
Entire process. Not you are not the one who have participated in an examination.
We have not participated. We have challenged the order.
Okay, then it will be amount to.
Yes, there's an amount to.
Then who has filed for impleadment?
Lordship.
The
we have-
person who appeared the examination, my lord.
Yes, Lordship. We are the
They are
candidate.
necessary party then.
Yes, Lordship.
My lord,
that can be allowed.
No issue.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Where is the IA? Wait,
IA 33 of 2023, Lordship. Yes,
Where is
Lordship.
IA 33? Miss?
Waigao.
Waigao, Land Council for the applicant. Where is 33? Okay, Waigao, Land Council for the applicant. Also heard Mr. Esmo, Land Council for the petitioner. Sorry, respondent with petitioner. The Land Council for the applicant submits. Since the petitioner has challenged, they have challenged the
The
entire
written
process of
examination.
Examination
of the applicant, examination where the applicant had participated. Any order, any order passed in the writ petition number
IA.
306.
Writ petition 439, Lordship. Writ petition 439.
439, so
Yes,
439 would adversely affect their interests and interests. Therefore, they are the necessary party. Necessary party in the said writ petition. Stockholm. By filing this, interlocutory application. The petitioners, how many?
So
How many
applicants,
persons?
there are 4 applicants, Lordship.
Only 4 applicants, I think.
4 applicant?
Yes, Lordship.
4 in numbers. Praise for their implement as a party respondent in the writ petition number 439/2025. The prayer so made by the Land Council for the applicant, and the applicant has not been objected to by the Land Council for the petitioner. The respondent stroke writ petitioner stop. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. The petitioner, the applicant, what is their name?
Lordship,
Hmm?
applicants are
Where do you
Nizam
find their
Yahya.
name?
Yes, Lordship. Applicants are
Digam Lopa.
Where do we find their name?
Lordship, it's in page number 13.
Versus so and so, so and so. Okay, the applicant, Shri Digam Lofa, Shri Rajiv Samyor, Shri John Tagang, and Moy Bomjen
Yes, Lordship.
is included as respond and be included as respondent number. How many respondents are there in the writ petition?
Writ petition, yes.
No, there are four respondent, Lordship.
Four respondent.
Hmm?
Four respondent, Lordship.
For respondent number 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, and 8
Yes.
respectively. No, fine. With the above this, I stands allowed and disposed of. And in the main, in view of the hard miss. Hard mister. Then just leave her. In view of the order passed today in IAC 33 AP 2026. Same name again, Three so and so, so and so, and so and so are implemented as respondent number. Continues on that, respondent number, so and so. The petitioner shall file amended course title by inserting the name of the newly implemented respondent. Staff, the registry shall do the needful stuff. As prayed for. Let this matter be listed on 13 February. Okay,
Obliged.
Lordship.
this is item. This was item
25.
25. How many remains?
6, 2 from orders and 4 from mediation commission.
Obliged.
Okay, we'll continue at 2 then.
Lordship, in item
Yes. Yes, anything?
26, Lordship.
26, what do you want?
I'm for respondent number 5. I need some more time to file affidavit.
Mr. Lowland, Planning Council for the, Miss,
Yes,
there.
I'm for the petition.
Okay, Mr. Lowland, Planning Council for appearing on behalf of the respondent number
5.
5, praise for, and is,
Jisang Parme, respondent number 2, 1, 2, and 4.
you also?
Yes.
Praise for some time to file affidavit in opposition. Mr.
Titagam,
Titagam,
on behalf
Planning
of
Council
El
appearing
Parme,
on behalf of El Parme Planning Council for the respondent number
1, 2,
1, 2, 4.
1, 2, and 4 also made a similar prayer.
and
You also wanted to file affidavit?
yes, sir.
Okay, and state also?
Yes, sir.
State is respondent number?
3 years.
Okay, the Mr. Sriram, Planning Council for the Planning Government Advocate for the state respondent number 3.
Well, 2 weeks time may be given.
Okay, also pray for some time to file, obtain instruction and to file affidavit stuff. The prayers so made by the Lana Council appearing on behalf of the respondents have not been objected to by the Lana Council for the petitioner, Mr. Islampo. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List is
My lord,
thereafter.
my lord, my lord, may I, my lord. My lord, 2 weeks time, my lord.
2 weeks
It
time.
will be
Okay,
last
okay,
chance, my lord, last chance.
okay.
Since they are taking time.
2 weeks,
Again.
2 weeks time, huh? Okay, list is matter. The prayer is allowed, huh? List is matter after 2 weeks. Okay. You will be filing affidavit, but this is for the referral to special mediation drive.
We were supposed to take direction, so we have taken the instruction from the Department of Transport.
Okay, so it cannot be referred to the, for mediation. Okay, Miss, none appears on behalf, 33, or appears on behalf of the appellant. Miss Sangeeta Lana Council appearing on behalf of the state respondent. Submits that the matter, that she is yet to obtain instruction in this regard. Therefore, pray for some time. Prayer allowed. List this matter after
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks. Okay. Okay,
Obliged.
rest at 2. Yes.
Item number 3031.
Yes, my lord, this item 30, my lord, this is an IA, my lord. IA for implement, my lord.
Okay.
Because these two persons who are the opposite party in this IA, my lord, they were also a party in the earlier round of litigation, my lord. Now, inadvertently, I missed out the names, my lord. I have not made them party, my lord.
Okay.
So they are necessary party.
Oh. Respondents are also present. No objection.
No objection.
Okay. Mr. Gisaki. So, okay, Land Council for the applicant. Start, huh? The Land Council submitted that the where is the name of the person?
My lord, it is a
Where
page,
have you stated that they were the party in the earlier petition, earlier
my lord,
proceedings?
it is at page 7, my lord.
Hmm. Para.
Name of RDI, my lord, and para is at para 3, my lord.
There are three.
My lord.
Submitted that the okay. Just a minute. This is an implement, huh? This is an interlocutory application seeking implement of two person
My lord.
is the opposite parties is to implement of the opposite parties.
My lord.
Number 1 and 2
1 and 2, my lord.
is party respondent in the writ petition being WPC 599/2025. Stop. It is submitted that the above named two persons were opposite parties. The respondent in the earlier round of proceedings.
My lord.
With regards to the ownership right over the disputed land. However, inadvertently, inadvertently, and by oversight, the said opposite parties, the opposite party number 1 and 2 herein were not made party respondent in the above writ petition. By filing this application, the applicant writ petitioner raised for their implement as respondent
6 and 7.
6 and 7 in the aforementioned writ petition being WPC 599/2025. The prayer so made by the Land Council for the applicant has not been objected to by the Land Council appearing on behalf of the respondent. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. Let the opposite party, namely Sri Khuti and number 2 Srimati Pomtheliang Mithi, be implemented as party respondent, implemented as respondent, party respondent as respondent number 6 and 7 respectively in the aforesaid writ petition number 599/2025. With the above, this IS stands allowed and disposed of. In the main, Mr. Soki, just leave that. In view of the order passed today in IA Civil 34 AP 2025, 26. Sri Same name, huh? The Khuti Miti, son of late Mohammed. This is in page 7, huh, of the application. And Srimati Pomtheliang Miti are implemented as party respondent, implemented as respondent number 6 and 7, respectively, in the present petition, huh? In the present petition, respectively. The petitioner shall file amended course title by inserting the name of the newly implemented respondent parties. Newly implemented respondent as respondent number 6 and 7, respectively. Stop, huh? And steps now or later on?
I will first correct the course title
Correct,
and then
correct.
yes.
Thereafter notice will be issued. Okay.
Then my lord, after correcting my I'll
Okay,
issue notice.
after inserting, after
Correction of the course title.
amending the course title by inserting the name of the newly implemented respondent number 6 and 7, the petitioner is allowed to take steps upon the said respondent by a speed post with as well as by usual process within a further 1 week from a further 1 week, huh? List is matter after 4 weeks. We'll say 4 weeks.
My lord.
Okay, you correct it then.
Yes.
Correct it within.
Correct by tomorrow. I'll make the correction.
Okay, within 2 correction shall be amendment shall be within 2 weeks, 2 days, huh? From today. Is it okay?
It's okay.
Okay. Yes.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 4 and 5 today.
Here, Mr.
I filed my Wakalatnama.
Okay, 4 and 5.
Yes,
Ms.
yes,
Sir, for respondent number 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
And government advocate for respondent number 1, state respondent for 1, 2, 3, and Mr. M. Kambo appear on behalf of respondent number
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Okay. Yes.
Affidavit file.
Item number 32.
For mediation.
Yes.
Yes, I'm on behalf of the appellant, matrimonial appeal.
So who is for the other side?
Other side,
Can it be referred to the
for our side, we are ready.
No problem, but then they need to appear.
Yes.
Relief side, yeah. Matrimonial appeal.
We can fix a matrimonial date. If they appear, we can go for counseling.
Okay. Okay, Mr.
Bitava,
B. Tavalani counsel for the
appellant.
appellant
Yes.
is present, however, none appears on behalf of the respondent. In absence of the
Respondent.
absence of the counsel for the respondent, the matter could not be taken up.
Yes.
Okay, accordingly, the matter is Senate June to be listed next week.
Yes, next week.
Okay. Okay.
Much obliged.
Item number 34.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I appear on behalf of Udeka for the respondent.
Respondent.
Yes.
Appellant is not present.
Yes. For mediation, Your Lordship, I have to take instruction from the company.
Okay, none appears on behalf of the appellant. However, Miss
Miss SD File.
SD
File.
Pillai. Your name is there?
No.
Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr. U. Deka, Land Council for the Deka is for?
Respondent companies.
Okay. For the respondent insurance company. Some mistake for referral to the special mediation drive. The referral of the referral of the matter for the special, to the special mediation drive. And for mediation, huh? She needs some time to obtain instruction. And accordingly pray for some time. The prayer is allowed. This matter after 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Your Lordship, for item number 35 also, the leading counsel C. Modi is not able to present today due to some urgent personal work. So the
Miss
SD File, Your Lordship.
ST, here also your name is not there.
No, sir.
ST
File, SD File.
Pillai, Land Council appearing on Land Council some is that the leading counsel, Mr. C. Modi, Land Council for the petitioner, is not present in the court today due to his some personal difficulties. Therefore, pray for adjournment, to which the
Your Lordship.
Land Senior Government
Lordship, I
Edit-
pray that the matter should be listed on 3rd February.
Additional Senior Government Advocate has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. Staff, as requested by the Land Council for the petitioner, let this matter be listed on 3rd February.
Yes.
What is this matter about? 3rd February, no problem.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, 3rd February. Okay.
Matter is over.
Done.
Yes.
Mm.